My friends, one love, man. Happy me coming back on YouTube live for the first time in a very long time to you all. I hope that we are all happy, healthy, wealthy. Shouts out to the Nexus as always. Hopefully you are all doing well. Today's January the 27th, 9:02 p.m. My name is Trader Geo, if we are meeting for the very first time. And every day I teach you why the market moves the way that it does so that you can have confidence in your trades. All content presented is a company joke, should not be taken seriously. Josie, no comment if I have to do the quarter one, BC, not financial advisor. Cryptos can't make it money as possible. Over the 5 year discretion is advised. What does that mean? That means anything that I do not copy me. Because I don't know how to trade. This is not the year of the dragon. I did not hit 6 figures this year already. So don't listen to me. The goal of today is simple. Leave stream with more money than I started stream. I am in a couple positions right now. I will disclose to you my couple positions. But before we talk about my couple positions, I need you, my dearest friend, my sexy quesadilla through the screen, to, if and only if I provide you value throughout the stream, hit the like button for me. Hit the subscribe button if you love what you see. Ladies, I am single. Ready to Pringle, all right? What's up? How y'all doing? Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. To whomever was asking me about the violin in the background, there you go, my dear friend. There you go. Banger, right? Pretty tough. Now, I will be bringing on some friends on stream. Okay? So we're going to hear them here as well. Let's bring them in, and I'm going to let you guys know my plan here. Actually, let me explain my plan first things first. And then we shall discuss. Or I shall bring my friends in, okay? All right. Let's talk about the plan for today. And then, my boy is wasted. I am not wasted, bro. I haven't had a sip since New Year's. I wish I was, though. You know what? One day we will do, I can't say the word because YouTube, but we'll do a apple juice stream, if you know what I mean. Okay. Let's have a conversation here very quickly, okay? Here's the deal with the deal, all right? Here's the deal with the deal. Right now, currently, we have a range. We are at the high of the range. We could have a PO3. I don't think it's going to be a PO3. I'll tell you why I don't think it's going to be a PO3. I don't think it's going to be a PO3 because this is a V shape out, number one. We have bullish OI here and bullish SMT divs here. And you have all this liquidity over here. So I actually think we are going to pump. I think we're going to make it up towards most probably around 90, like above 90K, in my opinion. Things could change, okay? We're not marrying the ideas. We're not longing now. But I do think we are going to make it up to here, okay? That being said, how do we actually execute? Because the TA is one thing. Execution is another. And I do want to scalp. I actually want to scalp this stream. Okay, I don't want to just talk. We're done talking. Year of the Dragon, okay? So here's the deal. It could be a PO3, and it could be a RIM-C up. I don't know the answer to that question. But this is my plan right now. If we start to break down and we get back test, especially if we sweep the high, we have to sweep the high. I will be looking for shorts up here. Just because I think it's going higher doesn't mean it is. I am looking for shorts here. Not taking, looking. If we get the short from here, then cool. We're going to be hedged short because we're still long. That being said, if we don't do that and we come down, I'm going to be looking for longs here. And if we sweep the high, I'm looking for shorts. If we break aggressively above the high, any back test, we're looking for longs. If we break below after sweeping the high, any back tests are shorts. Fair enough. Very easy. Share my fib levels. It's just the 786 both ways. All it is range high, range low. This is 214 is the 786, just the other way. This is the 786 and the golden pocket. That's it. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. So let's see if we can get into some trades. And we will you know, have a conversation. All right. Let me bring my friends over here to come and have a party. And we'll see what we get here in a little bit. Okay, let's bring them on. Okay, we're here now. We're live. You guys, yo. I don't know if you're here, but we are live. Is Jabby Patty back or no?
Don't think so.
Okay, well, we're live. All right, what is the stream saying? You are full port short. Okay. I'm a little bit this is a short zone. I'm a little bit reluctant though because of these highs. I don't like that there's equal highs here. Although Bitcoin has been doing this thing lately where it's been doing this, right? It's been leaving very ugly highs. It left ugly highs. Yeah. Well, I mean, it did sweep these ones, but at first it left ugly highs there. And it left ugly highs here. So it left ugly highs here, and it left ugly high. This one was so ugly. I missed this whole short because of this. So ugly. So hopefully, not for your sake, for my sake, hopefully, we sweep some highs because I can't short this. There's no way I'm shorting that. And yeah, I mean, we'll see how it goes, you know. We will see how she goes. We will see how she goes. How are you guys doing though? What is the auto fib indicator? It's a structure indicator. And I am an affiliate with them. I haven't promoted them yet. I'm still playing around with a bunch of different stuff right now, currently testing, and you know, soon we'll release new ways of trading to the Nexus. But it is the company is called 11X. They the link is in my bio for them. I am an affiliate with them. It is an expensive indicator though, I'll tell you that, but it pulls things properly. That's the thing. So I haven't promoted it yet, but if you're interested in it, I think it's like $700 or $800 for life. And you get a few indicators with it, not just the structure and the fibs and the ranges and all that. You get a few things. But I haven't really announced that yet. But you guys will know about it when I'm ready to like talk about it. But if you're interested in it now, you can go check that out. It's in my bio. Can't believe YouTube lets me say Pringle. Yeah. Anyway, let's see if we can yeah, so I mean, as long as these highs, and we're scalping here guys, okay? So like I'm on the 2-minute time frame here. But as long as these highs remain intact, I'm pretty much looking along it up towards these highs to take out these highs. Okay, this is super trend. Yeah, this one is super trend. But that's not what I'm like referencing right now, but this is super trend, yes. Yeah. Open a free Nexus? No. No. I did I had a premium YouTube or a premium Discord that I did for free for a year. And what happens when you think a product is or what happens when a product is free is you the quality of people drop dramatically, and people become, how do I say, entitled, and people become ungrateful, and it's just overall it just nukes the for lack of a better way of putting it, I'm gonna say the aura of the Nexus. So no, Nexus will never be free, and Nexus will never be on discount ever. Don't need to. You already get literally everything you need. You get way more value, way more than what you pay for. Way more. I can easily, and they can attest to it. Listen, Nexus, whoever's in here, I can easily get away with $1,000 a month. Easily, I think. So yeah, no, it's not happening. When I did it for free, man, that shit sucked. You know, you'd be surprised. People want everything. Well, I mean, it's not really surprising that people want something for nothing. That's how the world, you know, works. But you would be surprised how ungrateful people are. Truly ungrateful. So, no. How much is it? $100 a month. Very cheap. Very, very cheap. I'm going to say it like Trump. Insanely cheap, actually.
Tremendously cheap.
Tremendously cheap. Tremendously cheap. So let's see what we can do here. Are you in anything, Phoenix?
I was in an ETH long, but I TP'd it and I got broke even on the rest.
Word. You are joining soon. We are ready to serve you, bro. Come hang.
Kind of just waiting for a range high or range low deviation. I like that 5-minute block that we talked about.
Yeah, I agree. My internet is so slow right now, or it's trading view. I don't really know.
Trading view sucks lately, bro.
Something's going on though. By the way, we might actually front that 5-minute block. We have a 2-minute down here. Wait, am I sharing my screen? In the in the Discord, we have a 2-minute block down here. We might, because we have bullish OI here.
Yeah, we might. Just kind of hoping one of them would hit though. Like either it's USDT, ETH, or BTC, but we'll see.
Yeah, we have bullish OI here. That's the thing. I think the range high is gonna go first, but we'll see. We will see. I think we have SMT too. Let's check. Kind of useless right now. ETH is kind of useless. What's USDT doing? I haven't checked this like since all the craziness from New York. I haven't really like watched what happened.
Bro, you swear today was FOMC. Tomorrow's FOMC.
Yeah,
if we had
today
this
was crazy, dude.
Oh my gosh, bro. That was insane.
Yeah, today was nuts.
Tomorrow might be even crazier.
Bro, I swear every FOMC lately like kind of blows though.
Yeah.
See, we didn't really.
FOMC.
I have a zone. We didn't hit my zone yet on USDT. We didn't quite make it, but we are. It does look like we're accumulating here. So.
Wait, do you have that flipped or no?
No, this is the normal one now because this is where my TA is. So we'll see. Not all people can afford $100, man. Some of us live in a third world country. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I can't really do anything about... I can't really, you know... I can't control based on where people live and don't live, you know? I do giveaways all the time, so keep watching the stream and, you know, maybe you'll win. All right. Man, the fact that this got swept on MEXC but didn't get swept here on Bybit, like if that got swept, I would have been short from here. But I just can't, man. With these highs, like I just can't short that.
No, I didn't short it yet.
I can't short.
Too risky.
Yeah, it's way too risky. It's way too risky. I want to see if I can get a scalp long up, to be honest.
Yeah, me too. I like that like momentum line from the top down on what's your bottom right? Oh yeah, ETH, look at that. Nice, like yeah, it's nice. From the top on ETH down. It's almost like a trend line. People are trying to trade that right now. They're gonna get smoked on it eventually.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking at the same thing, yeah. A kind of a manipulation of this triangle, and we'll see.
Like
I
yeah, it's
think
like
we will touch the range high before we touch the range low, personally. But
I don't care what you need it to do, one or the other. I don't really care.
Yeah, I don't care either, but we'll see. I do like your 5-minute breaker though, or 5-minute block though.
They got some nice anchor view ups down there too. I was pulling before, so they do co-align very nicely. Yeah, it might be a front run. You're right, it could be because there's a curve leading right up into it.
Yeah, and this short technically could be, although I don't think it will be, but it could be. Kind of like a decent.
It could be, bro. It could be.
But...
You don't know what FOMC
could...
stuff.
Yeah, that's true. My favorite long zone, like swing long and bottom, is 85.5 to 80. So, or 85 to 85.5, like that $500 range.
Oh, I 100% agree. I was actually hoping we were gonna hit that this morning, man. Like that's what I thought they were coming back for.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
I pulled the fast one. Uno
I
reverse.
haven't checked Soul in forever. I have not checked Solana in forever. Wow, Sol left equal lows. That is ugly. It swept a high? I didn't see it. Yeah, bro, we have bullish OI here.
There is one. Which one though? Oh, okay, yeah. Bro, I don't know, man, because like a few times that misled me on. Not saying it's going to. I'm just saying a few times it's did me dirty.
Yeah, sometimes it's been like wish-washy lately.
Yeah,
But,
especially after a big flush in OI or a big pump. I find like you see how we had like a big spike up.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I guess it's not as big as I thought it was here. I mean, OI is not following that move. Like from when you put in that peak, it's kind of like dying off. Interestingly, it might be because of all the shorts closing though. Like shorts got taken out on that move, right? So
Yeah, people are getting stopped out and shit.
yeah, it's a very subjective thing, man. Like all that order flow stuff, you know.
Like it works when it works.
Yeah.
I feel like anything, it works when it works. And it, like, I don't know, bro. Like hindsight 2020 is the most like it works best in trading. Like in trading, you know, like everyone says hindsight's 2020, but in trading it's like more real than ever, I feel. It's so fucking easy.
Bro, it is. Hindsight is like, you're like, oh yeah, I would have taken that. I would have taken that. I would have taken that.
Yeah, like hindsight in trading is so easy.
Bro, I see that. Even that happens to me all the time. I'm like, yeah, maybe I wouldn't have taken that actually, because like, you know, like even though it looks easy looking back, like, come on, you know, that's why I always say like, some people are like pro hindsight traders, but they can't trade their way out of a wet paper bag, you know?
Yeah. This whole move up has been a short squeeze. Yeah, I agree with that. But the thing is that, like, I don't think it makes sense to stop here. It could. I just don't think it makes sense to.
I don't think so. It could. Yeah, you're right. It definitely could. We've seen crazier things lately. Go back to the daily for a second. Go to the daily time frame.
Here, wait, real quick. If we break up here, I'm going to try this, I think.
Little scalp.
Little scalp.
Yeah.
I will try this. The high, 1.75. I'll try that.
Yeah, I might take it with you.
Okay, what do you say? Go on the daily. Well, let's put an alert there. You said go on the daily?
Yeah, just go to the daily very quick, and let's take a look at the... just take a look at, like, what they've... It's going to give you some, like, flashbacks here, so be warned, bro. But, like, the last time... Like, every time we're in that, like, 90K to, like, 85K range of price... Like, look back in December. Like, look at all the candles.
Yeah. Same thing. Same shit here.
Same kind of price action, bro.
I was
like
saying
so
that
up
earlier.
Bro, it's crazy.
You know why? I realized why. Because on the way up, when we popped out here the first time, we never left anything here. Like this went straight through the 80s. You know, when we pumped, we went from 74 straight to 90. So we never left anything here. And then even when we popped out the second time, we never left anything. So
like
it's
a volume void.
Yeah, like it's just trying to establish like some normality here.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know,
but it is crazy. Like, remember how many times we were like, oh yeah, this is like going to 100K, like, you know what I mean? And that December area, bro, that was so crazy. It took like every long was like everything that looked like an amazing long or accumulation just came right back. And then it was like,
bro,
I mean, eventually it worked.
Oh yeah, here, yeah, man. If I was as good of a trader as I am now, like here, you know, the 74K range, this range taught me a lot. If I was as good then, even like, you know, throughout the last 2 months, I just grown so much. If I was, you know, things would just be different, you know, but whatever, it is what it is.
Yeah, well.
Gio, am I using volume profiles or do I still use ranges? Do I still draw ranges the way I taught? Yeah, everything that I taught in the in the boot camps is the same. Send it to 100K. I still like 100K. I still like the idea of going to 102, by the way. I think I'm going to take this long, bro.
I like 102.
I think I'm going to try this long.
Do we break?
We're about to.
Yeah, I like to see like a back test, you know? We have supply
we
right
also
there
have
too.
SMT here.
Yeah, we do.
You're always short, bro, but you're in from 28, 25. Man, I'm the perma bear, you know? Everybody called me a perma bear for years. Remain humble. I will do my best, my friend. Do my best here. Okay.
I'll never understand how you read that. Like, it's like literally like.
No, this is. I mean, right now
It's like
it's
more
bad.
so.
I'll use
Like, if
MEXC
it-
now because, you know, it's like looks better.
Yeah, that's wild. I can't believe how bad the USD volume is, man. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's trash. But the only thing is, like, the SMTs are, you know, I'm used to that. Like, again, we talked about this earlier. I don't know if the other SMTs will work the same or whatever. Okay, if we break up now, I'm going in and I'm going to stop wherever the low is now. I need to see a break though for me to enter here. Yeah, this looks not bad to me. So it would look something like this.
The only thing is, we do have a 1 minute OB right below us on Bitcoin. It's a nice stopping volume candle, so just be warned.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Well, either way, I'm not pulling the trigger until it breaks up anyway. But just getting smacked down before FOMC, then whips out both ways and ultimately down. I don't know, man. I think it's time to squeeze some shorts, but you know, I have zones. If we go lower, I have zones and I'm ready, and if we go higher, I have zones and I'm ready. I don't think it's just going to be down personally. But we'll see. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this. Look how slow this shit lags, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, bro, it's slow motion, man. Just like the short. I took the short
yeah,
from the top
so
of Asia
bad.
last night, bro. Even on a
Yeah,
swing point.
Yeah. Yesterday was brutal.
It took like an hour before my top short worked. I was like, what the heck? That was crazy, man.
Yeah.
Slow motion. Yeah. It's actually looking better now. We just got past VWAP again on USDT.
I really want to come take. Okay, fuck this super trend. I really want to come take these highs. Like, that's it. That's all I want. Am I still in next day? Yeah. That's all I want. I just want the high. Just give me the high. Just give me the light. Just give me the light up in the soul.
Change alerts. Just give me the light. I'm long and soul.
Just give me the light. I'm long and soul. That's funny.
That's funny.
Just give me the light. I'm long and soul. Man, just give me one push up. Preferably, we don't even go to the range high. We just right now go to like 90. Give us a quick $700 move. I'll be happy. I will be super happy if we just get like a fast, you know, just like a, what the hell just happened to everybody that's shorting right now? They're like, what the hell just happened? We had every narrative in the book. And I know because I used to be that guy, but just squeeze all this. Just that's what I want. And you know what I'm still butthurt about? That fucking 10 or 5 minute block that we were looking to short like 3 days ago. You remember that?
Long, you mean, right? Oh, the 10-minute.
We were looking to short.
Bro, me and you were in gigalongs, and you were texting me. And
it was like this.
Bro,
it was like this or something.
You're like, bro, TP now.
Yeah, that was. Remember when we had the bearish OI and I'm like, yo, I'm TPing?
Yeah, thankfully
I
you
really
told me.
thought we were going to come and hit this.
Yeah, I know, but you were like, yeah, this might reject. I'm like, oh, snap. I was asleep, bro. And you're like, I heard my thing go up. I was in like max position almost on that too, on that long.
Yeah, I was in like 17 BTC or something.
Yeah, I really thought they were going to hit that block. I don't know why I'd leave that behind, but yeah, weird, man.
Well, it gives us a target now, hopefully. Did you take this? Are you in?
Yeah, man. Yeah, tried it. See if it works. I didn't go in big though. I'm only in for 5 Bitcoin. See if we can make a little scalpy.
Bum, 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 na, 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 na. All right, where are we here?
But to stop me out, that's where we are.
Maybe they do come for the 1 minute block. Let's see.
Yeah, that's where my stop is, so I don't really care.
Same.
We'll see if it.
But I'll just, whatever, I'll get back in. Do I still use money flow to determine direction? I use Market Cipher for help with entries. That's it. Like if I'm looking to enter now and I think that Market Cipher looks good on like low time frames only. Like I don't give a shit about anything above maybe the 5 minute time frame. I don't care. It just, I can't trust the higher time frames. So earlier today, I longed right here earlier today. Where was it? Right here I longed, and I was gonna long anyway, and then Market Cipher kind of was just like extra confluence, but I would have longed anyway. Like I don't care what Market Cipher looks like, I'll still long it. But it was just more confidence. That's it. So do I use it? No, I don't really use it. Like I use it for help with my entries. If it looks horrendous, then I might reconsider longing or shorting, right? But right now, you know, like I'm not pulling the trigger because of Market Cipher. Whereas when I used to make my Market Cipher videos, I would trade because of Market Cipher. Now I trade because I would take it, and then Market Cipher is just the cherry on top. Pretty much. 5 minute money flow is kind of shit. Yeah, I don't, like I said, I don't really, doesn't mean anything to me. I don't really care. I don't trust anything above like, my favorite is the 30-second. I just go to the 30-second and I'll just trade, you know, no, I'm not trading this. Right? I'm not trading Market Cipher. It's just extra, just the cherry on top. That's it. You thought from my old videos that MCB on low time frame is shit? Well, I just explained. I can't, ever since the 3-day time frame on Bitcoin, where here it looked like it was going to go to 0, and it exactly didn't go to 0. I just can't trust it. Personally, I just can't trust it.
Here it looked.
Man, I can't even change time frames, bro. This thing takes like 10 seconds to change time frames. No, I don't.
Bro,
I don't use the dots for entries.
Here we go with the low volume crap again from Asia.
I use structure. Yeah, I know. I picked the worst session to trade all the time. Okay, we're about to get stopped, and I am.
Oh, you didn't cover the OB?
Are you covering the OB?
I got it under there, bro. I'm not taking chances on that.
Okay.
If I get smoked, I get smoked. It's
No,
not that big.
I was gonna keep it under the low that we just.
They might make a Model 1.
Yeah, that's true. I was gonna have it here, or I had it here. Originally I had it there.
Okay.
And then I was gonna move it up to here when we popped out. But let's see.
Listen, I've dealt with Asia enough. I know how they behave, and so I can't. Yeah, have to cover it. And if the reaction's crap, then I'll just close it, break even.
That's so such a shit risk reward, but let's see what happens here.
No, terrible.
Bro, if they don't go for those highs, man, I'm actually gonna be. It's gonna be so annoying.
Oh, that'll be so stupid.
What's Market Cypher's biggest flaw? I can answer that, but I will answer that by rewording your question. My biggest flaw with Market Cypher is that I didn't know how to trade without it. And then once I learned how to trade without it, that's when I like, you know, now I do well, way better. I do much better now that I know how to, like, I don't need it. So I guess the answer is the biggest flaw is when you need it to trade. I don't need it.
Come on, give us a bounce.
Okay, let's see what we have going on.
What's this slow motion? I don't like it.
Okay, we have another SMT, man. Like, yeah, it needs to kind of pull out right now, or else I'm just gonna flash close. And I am out. Okay.
That's stupid.
Whatever.
It looked good. Reclaim VWAP and everything, you know? Like,
yeah, whatever. Happens. On to the
Yeah.
next. Not a big deal. Now it's gonna bounce. Guaranteed 100%.
100%.
How she goes, man.
Get me started with Asia.
How she
They do
goes.
this.
How she goes with Geisha. I just want a move in a direction, and it, like, I don't care if it's up or down, but let's not just fuck around this price for the next 3 days, you know? Like, let's just, if we're gonna move, let's go down to 85, or if we're gonna pump, let's go to like 92, 93. Like, let's just get a nice $3,000 move.
Yes, please.
I'm so over this price action. Bro, today I was like, I can't even do this.
Oh yeah, of course they bounce it now. Oh,
Well, we still,
nope.
we still have the SMT and shit, so...
They like to run their own lows too. So like 89,097, like right below us, it would be the current like Asia low for me. And I see them do that all the time where they sweep their own low and they bounce it. So we'll see.
And they nuke it. Let's see what they do. See if we can find something else. Well, the 5-minute order block is next. So where is
We got
that
two
5-minute order block?
Is there two of them?
Wait, do we have another SMT now? Yeah, we have an SMT now again. Annoying, bro.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a boring one. See, Asia usually does the big moves on the Sunday night for us, and then Thursday night. Those are your big days usually when you get the big moves from Asia. Occasionally, night of FOMC, which will be tomorrow night. So I will be watching for a big move tomorrow night on Asia.
What time is FOMC at? Like 2 o'clock?
Bro, I don't even know. Like, I don't even really watch it. Like, I just like,
Oh, I never watch it. I just like prepare for volatility.
yeah. What they usually do is like, what they used to do, I don't know if they still do it. They used to do like, kind of like what they did today. Like they put in a high, they come back for the low, they come back for the high, and then they moon it. Right? It's usually like a triple kind of like fake out thing, or a double fake out thing.
Yeah.
It's usually like the behavior of them, but
Dude, today's New York was crazy though. Like they did
They
fake
come
pump,
up there.
fake dump, fake pump, fake dump, and then pump.
Yeah,
They went 5
did.
times.
I know. Well, listen though, that 5-minute OB that we bottomed out in, I was talking about it for like what felt like days.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like,
yeah.
that's and then the friggers came back for it so fast that I didn't think it was going to be it. Right? I thought they were going to make like a lower high, lower low into that 2-hour block that you were looking at.
Yeah.
They screwed me up, so I missed most of the long.
Yeah, I longed like 30-second. I longed 30-second upward structure because there was nothing else.
No, you had nothing. There was nothing,
There
bro.
was nothing else. Nothing
Actually, I
else.
tried shorting the bottom of it, honestly, and I got whooped. So I basically made my money back on the long.
True. Do I look
Oh,
at
well.
vector candles? Yes, I do.
They work really well.
Yeah, it gives you like kind of, you know, perspective, just more, you know, insight to what might happen.
It's like fair value gaps on steroids.
FBG. Young Jeezy. Where's Jabs? This guy.
Took off.
No way I've been muted this whole time. I'm
Yeah,
talking
you're
to
muted
myself.
the whole time, bro.
I'm reading chat. I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, you're talking to yourself.
Like,
Looks
bro,
like
this is crazy.
your fucking gay ass distro is working. Gay.
Boom.
Bro, I've been
Boomer.
telling you. I've been telling you.
Okay, well, nothing else took the high, guy. So what do you want from me?
Nothing.
He's like the perma bear here.
That's it. That's your
Jabby
low
perma.
forever. That's your low forever. Moon it. We're coming for you, Trader Jabs.
Okay, I'm still short. I don't care.
I'm
I
coming for
added
you
a
right now.
high.
If I was you, I would be shaking in my boots.
I'm not shaking.
I would be
4'11".
quivering right now if my name was Trader Jabs.
Quivering, he says.
We're coming for you this moment in time.
I'm good. I think we're at least going to go down to this 5-minute OB that you guys are talking about.
I think you're at least gay.
I gotta say, Diamond Palm is the GoPro. He's in the chat. This guy,
Who
he's
is
like,
Who is he?
bro, he's like, look at his picture, man. He's like a WWE wrestler with
Banning
fucking
him.
diamond hands. No,
Is
bro,
that
he's
Stone
cool.
Cold? Yeah, that's Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Nah, I'm kidding. He's a cool guy.
Could we have a local PO3?
Yes,
you mean
that's what I've been saying.
No, 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 I
AW
don't think- no, listen.
9700.
No, listen. I think this is what he's referencing. This.
Oh my god, everyone wants a long. There's no PO3 there.
I'm
don't-
saying I think that's what he's saying.
Don't.
That could be
no.
one. That could be
Or
one.
it could be, or it could like the bigger one. I don't know which one he's referring to.
Why wouldn't
I
you
would-
sweep the low first?
Well, we have bullish OI. I mean, I'm not saying we wouldn't, but we have bullish OI.
I love when me and you are arguing. It's the best.
Arguing. And it did sweep a low. Like this didn't sweep any highs.
Mexi did.
Anyway, whatever. I don't even fucking care.
If we continue grinding down the way that we are in slow motion, it would make that order block look way juicier under the range low, bro. Way juicier. That would be a bullish PO3.
That would be a nice
I'm not
PO3.
trying
Yeah.
to short this to zero. I'm just saying.
No, we know.
I'm scalp, but
I know.
Every
Man,
single
I'm telling
high-
you, I would be 100% with you, but they didn't fucking take the high on anything but MEXC. That's my problem.
they didn't even take it on thing. Breakout.
And so as a result, I can't short it.
Bro, you're the only guy I've ever seen in all my years of trading with like arrow font.
Right?
I
That's
only
what I
added
said
this
earlier.
today. Because
I
I
said, how
always do
the
like
fuck-
when I do my zones and I share it with the Nexus, I do like that, and it's just I normally do this and then I draw an arrow like that and it looks like shit, but this is just so clean.
Bro, do you know what sucks? The worst thing that I hated of all the years that I've done like live streams and stuff is I hate the friggin' time frame change, bro. You have a doodle that looks nice on one time frame, you switch time frames, and it's like it looks like somebody had an aneurysm, you know?
Yeah, you're just a boomer though.
Okay, so we have a new supply range. There's a 2-minute order block. If you don't get into the short, you're gonna miss the move. Pretty much.
It's okay, dude. I'll miss the move. That's okay.
No, come on, bro.
He's trying to get his wreck, bro.
Let Trader Jabs be right for once.
He's trying to induce us. You were right this morning.
Bro, you are
I was
inducement.
I was three out of 3 today. 3 of 3.
Okay, so there you go. Now you're about to be 4.
Trader Jabs inducement.
Now you're about to be 4, guy.
This looks like a big ass PO3 to me.
Yeah, it could be.
Unless we SFB this low, then I literally scam myself and close my whole trade.
Bro, I'm getting off of Mexi. I'm going back to Braille.
Took the high on look at this guy. Mod this guy. Josh's 1515. He said took the high on Bit Unix as well. And you know, that's the kind of support I want to see in the chat.
Look, he called me
Why don't
Phoenix.
you make your channel and then you can mod him on yours?
No.
This looks like a Bart Simpson. Yeah, it could be. It could be, man. I don't deny that this could come down from here. I absolutely do not deny that at all. I just want to see that high get swept. Like, this is ugly as fuck.
It does look weird. I'll
looks
give it
bad, yeah. Even if we come down, I would expect it to do this and then this if it's gonna go down. Like, I don't think they're gonna leave that. Could they? Yeah. Took the high on K-Sex. You know what, guys? Whose chat are you in right now? Whose side are you on?
They're on Jabs' side because they're all short, probably.
Trader Jabs.
Trader Jabs. Give me my own channel. Let's go,
Make it.
boy. I can't. No. Geo has to be the one. Nope. He has to be the one.
You can do Disney.
He said when you're ready, when I'm ready, he'll make one for me. But it's his judgment. So whenever he says, then GG.
The play has been legit to short every pump since 126 high. I mean, yeah, but we're scalping, so I'm not gonna like only short until 74k. What if we go all the way back up to 102k, which can happen? You're gonna miss the whole 89 to 102. Yeah, we're me, Jabs, and WP right now. I mean, yeah, bro. Like, we're not we're in a bear market for sure. You know, I'm not disputing that. I think 74k. There's a 90% chance that we're gonna hit it. So you're definitely not wrong. But you know, we can have swing longs. We can have swing longs too. You know, like I think, for example, we could come down to like 85. I think 85, 85.5. That's my favorite zone right now, is between 85 and 85.5. I think this could be a swing long to 102k, right? And then you have a huge swing short. I think that could happen. But again, you know, things, we don't make money by being right, and we don't lose money by being wrong. We have ideas, and then when we get the confirmations, we take the trades, and that's it. You know? Doesn't matter what happens. I don't really care. I used to care. I don't care anymore. I care about profit. I don't care about being right.
Oh God. Just no volume in this shit, bro. Like,
I just back to the doll image, bro.
You know what? And I'm so tired of this.
Wait, of what?
It's like when we get on live, you know my fucking dad's watching this shit. And here we go.
I didn't know that,
what
actually.
happened?
You know what he's talking about.
Wait, what do you mean? Did someone say something in the chat that I missed?
Nope.
I'm just fucking with him, bro.
Yeah. He would literally, he would storm up here. Storm.
If you actually watch the stream,
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Of course he watches them. He texted me and I'm in the call with Gio and he's like, yo, Gio is going live. I'm like, I know.
Like I'm on there.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, I'm with him right now. He's like, yo, you know Gio's going live. Yeah, I know, Dad.
Like you're the one that made me go live right now.
I know.
I would not be live right now. Okay, we just swept out all these ugly lows. We're about to hit the 2-minute. Where's our 5-minute block?
Way below.
No,
Dump
this
it.
one here. Okay, these are my 2 local ideas now.
Yep, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right, we're gonna give it another shot. Finger on the trigger.
Was that you guys? That was me.
What was you?
The ding, ding, ding.
I didn't even hear it.
Gonna change your alerts to the sexy
Okay, we
voice,
need
bro.
to see. Yeah, this is. I'm not gonna enter this one like kind of premature. I mean, this looked not bad, but I need to see something here for me to go in.
A flip.
Yeah.
The last flip failed. That's why we gotta be careful. And yeah, that was a market structure break. So
I still think, listen, if you just zoom out, like the 1 hour fucking inefficiency, blah, 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 we go fill the 50.
Yeah, like this is a long zone. This is a long zone.
The long, yeah, there's the long.
And if they
Yes.
leave this, like let's just say they break down from here
Wait,
and they
not
just
even
hang
one-
around right here, this could be a bullish PO3.
mm.
Right?
I like your first arrow. That's where I'm looking to go up. Yep, that one. Exactly. Exactly.
All I want for Christmas is moon. Ooh.
All I want for Christmas is 102.
Man, I want 102 just so that I can be a perma bear. Like I only want it so that I can literally never press the long button for the rest of the year. Not
love it.
literally, but you get the idea in it.
He mooned, pump it.
You pumped, moon it.
Long now.
Okay,
Scalp
Done.
long.
it's done. I just did.
Okay.
We have SMT again?
Look how good the rim C is right there on the 2 minute, by the way.
Where? Here?
ETH. Short.
Oh.
yeah, it wasn't bad actually.
Yeah, but see, I don't rim C ranges though.
You're missing
Why
out.
not?
You rim C this, Phoenix?
I would, yeah. Yeah, I would actually, yeah. But I
What?
didn't. So, yeah, I would. Like if it was a bigger range, I would. That's too tight.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Like I would rim C this.
Oh yeah, I mean not that
Yeah,
tight of a
but
range.
we were
Yeah, but I
literally
don't rim C
talking about.
this.
No, that's too
That's
tight.
what I just said, and you're like, yeah, I would. Oh.
Yeah, okay, but literally, bro, we literally talked to fucking Mario earlier.
No, okay, I understand, but this is like, I don't know,
P-
man. Like,
P-
this is still
add,
ranging though. Like, it
PP.
could just.
PP add, PP add, PP add.
Bad bitch. Your mama a thought, and she got ass. I do need to get better at rim C though. I do need to get better at that.
I fucking hate long.
Trader Josh, he says, man, I fucking hate longing. I swear it's like every time I long but lose confidence and close early, price doesn't return to entry. Every time I hold, I get stopped. Love shorting though. Bro, you are talking to, well,
The goat.
me and Phoenix love shorting.
Jabs doesn't care where it goes.
Jabs doesn't care. If it was up to me, man, I love shorting. I think long money's dirty.
I like shorting way more, bro. I win way more shorts than longs.
I mean, I agree. I love fucking shorting. It's like my favorite thing to do.
I like crushing the moon boy dream, you know, with my big size.
All right, here we go.
That's what he said. I'm eating deep fried dill pickles for anybody wondering.
I thought you
What'd
were
you
about to
do?
say deep fried
Yeah.
dildos. I don't know why.
Me
thought you
too.
were gonna-
Me,
I don't
yo,
know why I thought you were gonna say that.
me exactly too, bro.
I'm eating deep fried dildos. That's crazy, bro.
In a fucking
Wouldn't put it
Yeah.
past you.
Yeah,
Wouldn't put it past you.
that sounds like a good time for you.
Keep
have
it
a
up,
dollar.
Phoenix. I'll fire up trumpet right now.
I don't have a doll under my bed.
Here we go. Yo, you want to hear a funny story? So, when I first was mod in Geo server, like a long time ago, my dad would fucking enter all of Geo's giveaways, and he won one time for a boot camp. And we had to give it to someone else. I guess that wasn't that funny.
I think your dad's a G.
He is. He's a gangster, bro. You
Really,
want to talk
your
about You want to talk about a swing trader? There's no one. Raven don't got shit on him.
Bro, your dad is he's a spot like futures trader.
I literally texted him a minute ago. I said, "Are you watching? Because we're talking shit about you."
Look, dog, y'all can say what you want, but we got a green dot on the daily on market cipher. Not that that's super important, but with that money flow, we got some moving up. I agree, man. I think we're due for some like liquidating some bears, bro. I do think that. It's been a relatively easy ride for a very long time. Bears are super comfortable. They never get tested. I think we're due for something. I thought that when we went up to 98, we were gonna go to 102 to 104.
Just for the record, this is a scalp. For the record, I am scalp shorting. I am not like targeting fucking zero.
Bro, you just told us along it.
I know. So you could make some money.
Thank you.
We induced the fucking order block.
Thank you for making me money in it. Now it would have been nice if they did it when we longed earlier.
There's no structure, bro. Look
Bro,
at how
look
shit
look
the
at my
Bybits are.
screen. Look at how clean the structure is. Look.
Bro, look at the gap. Like, it
This is
looks
the
like we're on a
cleanest- no,
CME chart.
This is Swift structure right here.
Yeah, for sure. Go
Do
look
you
at
guys
Maxine.
like
It looks
my
way better.
new arrow?
We're gonna market long max position right now and move it.
Market short.
Watch this. Ready?
Okay, go move it, Phoenix.
Do it.
Boom.
No, imagine that. Get wrecked.
One of your
Oh,
students
Mario.
would do it.
They can do it for me then. You're one of my students. Go ahead.
Yeah, well,
Max
I'm the one that
Long's
caused this
Max
already.
Long's
I'm the one that caused this move up. So now you gotta carry it. You gotta carry us through now.
No.
Shouts out to Alex O'Crypto. Shouts out to the Otter Gang. Thank you for sending them here, brother. Shouts out to the OGs. Hope you're blessed, bro. Hope you had a good time in Toronto when you came.
Tell him. Hope you're
Not even
happy.
Alex
healthy,
O'Crypto.
wealthy.
Man, this is clean structure, guys. Look how good the structure looks.
Year of the fucking horse dragon, he said.
You're the fucking horse dragon. You're of the worm.
Year of the
You're
drag
the worm.
horse.
Yeah.
Rim C down. Short
I
it.
didn't know you could send people your streams. Like, that's cool how it said that, actually. I didn't
I
know you
think
could
that's
do
a
that.
new thing. Yeah, I didn't know you could do that. Like, it's relatively new. Not like...
Like a raid is not new.
Yeah,
You
it's
guys are boomers.
relatively new.
No, it's fucking not.
I'm
A
asking
raid?
ChatGPT.
A raid, oh, we're raiding your stream. That's not new.
No, but it's a feature.
I know it is. It's not new. Is what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, whatever, bro. You're like, no. Okay, here's the plan. Ready? Boom. And then that's along. That's a long. That's a long.
Okay, can you
That's
give us
a
a
long.
short? Can you give us a
Yeah,
short?
right
though?
here. That's a short.
So
The
why?
notification is new. Thank you, Alexo Crypto.
Man.
By the way, you're
Alex,
welcome to come hang if you are up for it, if you would like.
by the
What'd
way,
you say,
one sec.
Jabs?
Never mind jabs. He's bearish. Talk to the bullish Phoenix, okay? Oh yeah, by the way, we're up billions right now, but
Did you long it?
yeah, I went in. You told me he gave jabs said to long it, bro. When he says long
Yeah,
it,
me too. Me
he
too.
says short it. I never short. I trust his long signals.
Listen, Jabs
So
is
what?
the what's it called? He's the mind. We're just the face.
Nah, I don't know nothing.
Bro, I got frosted flakes and a hot wife. I'm out. One love, bro. God bless. Tell wifey I
work
say what's poppin'. Have fun. No accidental babies.
Stop loss, break even. Sure, please.
Me?
Both of you.
Yes, master.
Aye, Captain.
I'm gonna put my stop below that like little low. This one here. If you come to my braille structure, from now on I'm only trading low volume. Only if it's braille will I trade it. My stop's gonna go
Doesn't
there.
look like that on Maxi, bro.
Let's change
Maxi
the
is
music. Yeah,
better.
let's change the music. I know it doesn't look like that. Why do you keep yelling at me?
Honestly, I don't know. Sorry.
You crank that soldier boy.
The Wyckoff Network. Who is that? Is that you, Phoenix?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's Trader Phoenix.
make him a mod. He's not a mod. I'm banning him.
Nope.
Put user in timeout. Honestly, I thought that was that fucking weirdo. To be honest,
I don't even know how to mod him, bro. Wait, which weirdo?
We're gonna
The
we're
crap
just
bear?
gonna chill. I'm gonna chill for a minute.
How do I make him a mod?
Oh, I don't even know. Right.
There you go.
Click on my name.
You're a mod now. He modded?
There you go.
the compost trade.
On it.
Dump it.
Streak. Ban
Yeah.
everybody.
Compost.
Hey guys,
Do.
should we be concerned about Dixie breaking 4-year lows?
I can
I
give you some
think we
TA.
talked about that all day.
You
huh?
want to do TA on that? Let me put you up.
Wait, let me get my
You
screen
still
ready
have
though.
your shit fucking 120p ass stream thing?
I can't wait to watch this.
Yeah, it might be too bad to watch because I forgot to
Whatever.
renew my.
Okay.
Can you guys see that or no? Oh my god.
Everybody on
that bad?
YouTube, make your thing like
It's my bad.
15K resolution so that you can see.
Yeah, Phoenix is on a 10-inch MacBook, so
Okay, this is now White Phoenix's. I'm gonna go get a drink, but go for it. You're
Yeah, let me-
live.
Seconds, I gotta plug my mouse in. Hang on now.
he's not doing this on fucking trackpad.
Yeah, you know, I'm not doing this in trackpad. There's too much to talk about. Ready? Okay, I gotta plug my. I'm not using the Mac screen. I'm using my other screen. So you guys gotta.
By the
wait
way,
a
I
second.
took profit here, and I'm back to break even since the stream began.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Okay, hang on. Can you guys still see this or no? Jabs?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Let's rock. So you are right, like it is a significant low. But what do you have here on the Dixie? You have I'm not going any further back. I don't even know if you can go further back than 1969, but what do you have? You have an all-time high range, right? Swing high formed, swing low formed. This was your original swing low. What did price do? It deviated the low. So now, naturally, price would gravitate towards the high end of the range over time. It's not going to be instant. This is a multi-year long range. I'm on the 12-month time frame. These are yearly candles, right? So it could take forever. But naturally speaking, we have untested supply at the range high. Also, you have never filled this section of the range. Now, since 2001, 2002, in that general region of price, this is the last time, like we've been even close to the equilibrium of the range. Now, the last time was 2022. What's price doing? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, from the range low up to the range high. Now, if I drop time frames to the monthly scale, you can see the structure. Let's draw it in. right? So what do you have? You have structure telling you lower low, lower high, lower low, bullish across. You have a break-in structure, higher high, higher low, higher high. So naturally speaking, what's the expectational order flow? The expectational order flow is higher low, higher high. What do you have here? Well, you have another range that forms. You have potentially a manipulation of that range low, right? Everybody going super bearish, of course. For what? Possibly an expansion up. And that I think could take a very long time. Like, I don't think it's going to be an overnight expansion. I'm on the monthly chart, for God's sakes, you know? But that's kind of what I'm anticipating right now. I'd be damn shocked if we took these lows. If we take these lows here, I think we're going to come into here and bounce, but it's going to be like a multi-year long process. But either way, this is going to hold, in my opinion. An SFP of these lows is going to hold, where price just wicks out this low like this, and then rotates up from there. Or we're not going down there, period, and this is the range we're going to hold. Now let's drop it down even further. Let's go to the weekly. You can see it much cleaner on the weekly. Yes, this is supply.
120p, we can see it.
Is it that bad?
It's so bad, but it's okay. We can see what you're saying. I'm
No,
just teasing.
no, it's all right. It's good.
All right, let's price the point. I didn't know it
Holy
was that bad.
shit, they almost stopped me out. Did you get stopped out there? Real quick. Sorry, this is time sensitive.
Didn't look. Let me see.
Oh my God. My stop loss was 112.6 and it went to
Dude.
113.5. So I almost got stopped out by 90 cents.
Okay,
No,
can we
No,
can
I
we
didn't get
just
stuff.
do? Can you look? No. Stop real quick. Go back to that. No,
Dixie.
All right, whatever.
Okay, never mind that. Just give me 2 seconds, bro. I won't be able to finish what I'm saying. So what do you have here, right? You have it's not a great return to zone, but it's still curling down in some regard. It looks like an accumulation it looked like it tried to accumulate here, but it failed. However, it doesn't necessarily mean you can't still, like, look at this gap here. The second that we recover these two bearish weekly candles, I think it's going to pop off. Now, the question is, though, is it going to come up and recover them, or is it going to reject into that gap kind of thing where previous day low is and then go down further? And if that's the case, again, we have targets down here that we could look to run. We could just deviate the low again. It doesn't have to make a perfect 3 tap. Like, it doesn't always do that, right? Like, as you can see here, you had what, like 4 taps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5, and then it went down. Like, it doesn't always give you perfect structure because it's not an asset that tends to move in that regard, But I do believe, like, we're at a significant level here, and it could be a fake out, and that's kind of what I'm hoping, because I want it to go up because of USD-CAD. USD Canadian dollar has been dumping pretty aggressively, as you can clearly tell in the last few days. And I'm kind of looking at a high volume node here that we have right below us at 135.247 down to about 134.825. So what I want to see is like an SFP of this low here, trap traders, and then a reclaim. If I see this kind of price action, I know how USD CAD performs. I know it's going to squeeze. It's going to squeeze all these shorts here. It's going to squeeze all these shorts in here, and it's going to gravitate back up towards 147. And I know it because I trade it all the time in the macro. Not so much from like a futures perspective, but I do trade macro USD CAD. I've been doing it for years, before Bitcoin. And
it could be like, this is the daily, right? I mean, this is a long fucking time.
Yeah. I trade macro mostly on it, right? I don't trade low time frame scalps anymore. I do my conversion game with it all the time. It's actually just like something I've been doing for years. But we do have like a distribution I think is going to play out up here, possibly at least to some extent. We missed supply on USD CAD, which is more confidence for me to think the Dixie is going to go up, right? But we'll see. I don't know for sure, obviously. There's no way to know for sure. Anything can happen. But here's the thing, like, Trump just threatened tariffs, right, on Canada, and the market's reacting oppositely as one would expect. So I don't know why that's happening. Something else I'm considering is, like, that's something else I'm considering, I mean. But if we do start, like I said, if we start bullishly reclaiming these shorts here, bro, it's going to squeeze. It does it every time. Like, either it dumps super aggressively like this, or you start to squeeze back on structure, and the second you flip structure on USD CAD or Dixie, bro, it just squeezes every time. Like, look at it. Like, here's a structure flip here, structure flip here, structure flip here, we'll squeeze, structure flip, squeeze down, structure flip, squeeze up. We could call that a structure flip here too. Like, it's just constant. It's a constant on the high time frame, bro. Like, look at this. It broke bearish structure here. It just squeezes off. Even though it looked like a distribution, 3 taps in the high, not a reaccumulation, it didn't matter. It failed. Look, I mean, this is exactly what I think we have here. So that maybe I'm wrong, but this is what I'm looking at, right? Basically a PO3 on the move up, and I'm comparing that move here in a way to what we have over here, where I think this is the accumulation, I think this is your manipulation, and I think we're going to get a bullish expansion up. And it's basically what I'm looking at for a while. It's obviously in slow motion because we're, I'm talking about high time frame stuff here. But yeah, all right, I'm done. What do you want me to do? Cardano? Like, what do you want me to do?
No, I didn't want you to do Cardano. You were on Bitcoin and you had a PO3 drawn in, and you're telling, yeah,
this.
yeah.
It's a possible. Yeah, I know it's possible, but in order to get this, we need to actually have like a break of structure. Not just any break of structure. I need it to break below like here to confirm this. You break, shoot, get me below this line here at like 88,669, then I'll think more likely it can happen.
That would be the 50% of the fucking vector, of the hourly vector that I've been talking about.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm willing to swing short this if it starts failing. If it starts failing and I see any kind of back test here, I'm not looking to long. I don't care if there's long zones here. I'm thinking them as like temporary bounce zones. Sorry,
Yeah,
I'm saying
maybe a lower high, lower low.
I think we have a value area high, and if we break that value area high of the range, I think it's going to get cooked and reverse the whole thing like that. And we're going to come down to Geo's order block down here, which is what?
I
like
want to
2
take
hours?
the low. I want to sweep the low one more time. It's a 1 hour block.
Where the fuck's mine at? I had it drawn in. It's a 1 hour block. I do
Yeah,
it like
right
this,
there.
so
Yeah,
that's okay.
whatever. Same idea. Yeah, same shit. Yeah, and that's a swing long.
Well, here's the thing. I think you're right because look at this, right? Like, I mean, you can't quite see it unless you go to a higher time frame. But if you go like 12 hour or even daily, what does this look like? It looks like, let me get rid of this shit. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave that on. No, I'll leave that on because it gives extra confidence. Watch 1, 2, 3. Model 1 accumulation spring.
Yeah.
And it will trap traders because they'll be shorting the value area low breakdown in the bigger range. People see that and they're like short. Like, look at all the guys that shorted the value area low here. They shorted here and they got wrecked. They shorted here and they got wrecked. Like, they do it every time, right?
True.
So it gives you extra volume-based confluence with that idea. But I do believe like this is like the mega long zone. I agree. Oh shit, what's that? It doesn't sound like a good alert. Did I get smoked? Yeah, I got stopped out of break even. Okay, we might get the long now though in the 5-minute block. Let me find my chart.
Or the PO3.
Or in Geo's, but you're in your 2-minute OB now.
Okay, I'm gonna come back over to my screen.
Yep.
Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so this obviously didn't work.
I gotta click on his.
So the short happened. Look, the short hit. Didn't take it though. That's fine.
I told you to short.
That's fine, guys.
Rewind it.
Okay. Listen, I need those highs to go for me to short, or like Phoenix said, like we need to start breaking down and I'll get a back test. I can't short. I'm not shorting in the range, in the discount section of the range, when you have 45 equals highs. I'm not shorting that. Not happening.
I can't short when it's 60 fucking thousand equal highs.
Yeah, I just can't do that. And listen, if Bitcoin wants to keep being gay and doing this and giving free money, then that's fine. It's too risky for me. I don't trade that way. Like, there's no way I'm shorting that in a million years. If there's this many highs, it's impossible for me to short here. Not possible. It's not possible. And that's just whatever. It is what it is, you know? But if I see anything here, if I see this or I see this, then I'm longing it up to here. And then maybe if I see a clean distribution and we're nowhere near the highs, I will short it, but I want these highs to go. So this is a valid idea. Between here and here is valid.
By the way, FYI, we have a bullish potential SMT between USDT, ETH, and BTC in the low of the range. Potential.
Wait, ETH is in a zone right now also. Dude, I need to get this stupid super trend off my shit. I can't see a fucking thing with this super trend.
I have to turn it off. I can't even stream with it, bro. It's too hard.
Like, I can't see it. It makes it like...
Bro, it's only good for when you're in a trade, I find. Like, if you're in a trade and you want a TP and you see it break against you, okay, well, then take a partial and put your stop to break even. You know what I mean?
Even these fibs are in my face. Like, I don't even want that. Off my face, don't know where I am, because I got my drugs from Amsterdam. Bum, 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 bum.
You listen to UK rap?
You mean drill?
Is that what they call it?
UK rapper, UK drill. Gotta mention my name if you don't talk about the genre. Yeah, I don't listen to it, but I like listen to it. You know what I mean?
So you listen to it.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, do you listen to it?
Fuck no.
You listen to EDM.
Yeah, but how does that portray? Like, how does that relate to like fucking?
No, it
British
doesn't.
rap?
I'm like, I guess I was asking, but in a statement form. Like, oh, you listen to
Oh
EDM.
yeah. Like, I listen to pretty much everything besides like.
And Taylor Swift.
Yeah, I love Taylor Swift, bro.
Bullish OI says nonstop tie. From the town of Shy. See what I did there?
Yes, I did.
Jabs, when are you gonna fucking close your stupid ass short so that we can long?
Not yet, brother. I did TP though.
Wow.
If that makes
so
you
have
feel
no,
better.
so you have no confidence in it.
I gotta say it like I take TP.
I took.
I sound like
took
Shooter
TP.
McGavin. I don't even know who that is.
What?
What the hell is Shooter McGavin?
All right, bro.
Isn't that from a movie?
Happy Gilmore.
From Happy Gilmore, bro. Yeah.
Man, I've never seen Happy Gilmore.
You didn't see Happy Gilmore? What the fuck, bro?
Oh, this guy's losing his mind.
You guys have seen Happy Gilmore's?
Seen both of them, bro. Yeah.
I've never seen Happy
I watched the
Gilmore's.
second one. I had a fucking premiere in my fucking garage, bro.
There's two Happy Gilmore's?
Yeah. Happy Gilmore is hilarious. It's a great movie.
I like Mr. Deeds.
Yeah, that movie is funny. SFP the low.
Okay, Jabs,
Not
you're
on-
winning.
Not on Bybit.
Actually, only on Breakout. Wow. Not on Mexi either.
Mr. Deeds is cool. And I don't know why the butler like loves feet. He's actually the one that created foot fetishes, I realized. He's the one that made it a thing. All these OnlyFans girls that are like showing their feet they have to thank Mr. Deeds.
It's funny, bro.
Nuke it.
And the chick's name is Babe. That's literally her first name in the movie. Babe Bennett. Winona Ryder.
Keep bouncing off the fucking range.
Let's
bro.
look up
gotta-
Winona Ryder.
Slow.
Winona Ryder.
Who's
Gio
long in
never
the high?
Happy Gilmore.
This was her.
Even my wife said, "Oh no!" Like what?
What, at the Winona Ryder?
No, the fact that you never seen Happy Gilmore.
Oh.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You watch
I
Mr.
mean-
D, not Happy Gilmore. That's crazy, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not.
What?
I was gonna say gay.
No. It's a good movie, bro. Don't.
Okay, but what about Babe Bennett here? Hello?
I'm listening. I'm
Yeah,
just
what
trying
about
to-
what about Babe Bennett here?
What about her?
What about her? Like, what do you think I'm asking?
Yay or nay?
Yay or smash or pass?
2002. Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, it's. I'm down.
Yeah.
I'm down. All right, bro. I'm not offering her you.
Bro,
I'm
this
down.
motherfucker.
It's not like
Listen,
I'm
this
friends with her and
motherfucker smashed
she's
Medea,
like
bro.
introduce me to your friend Jabs.
This motherfucker smashed Medea, bro.
I'm down. I'm down. Why does my ETH chart not line up? Oh my god. Trading view is a fucking cancer.
Dump it. Gotta take the low though.
Gotta take the low. Gotta take the low. Gotta take
Go
the low.
rebalance. Go rebalance the move, please. The big.
Go rebalance the imbalance.
Yep. It's imbalance after imbalance. I got a long zone down there too.
Man, everybody watched Happy Gilmore's except for me.
Yeah,
Bro,
really.
are you fucking high? Yeah.
The
of
chat's
course.
like low key, like, oh, Happy Gilmore. Oh, you can't believe you've never seen. Okay, I'll watch it tomorrow.
You gotta watch them in order though, right? Like the new one
I'll
just
watch
came out after like 20
How
years.
many
probably.
are there?
There's only two, but there's like a 20-year gap between them.
Yeah.
Wait, wasn't
they're
there
great.
like the second one was a new one?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you gotta
I
watch the
could be
first.
at everyone. I could be closing my short here.
Oh, I like this zone.
I'm saying.
Do you see
That's
my
it.
screen?
Yeah.
Okay, I like this zone. I like any one of these two either,
Need
but
to see what
okay, let's see if we can get a scalp in, man. Like, fuck, bro. 1 for 1 on the stream. That is horrendous. It's actually very regular. Don't don't listen to me.
Could
God,
see this down though.
I'm speaking to the chat when I say that. Don't listen to me. 1 for 1 is good. Okay, Bitcoin just swept a low. Are we good now at Trader Jabs?
5-minute SFB. If it confirms, I'm gonna close my trade.
We're going lower for sure then.
I'm looking for SMT right now. If I see one. Oh, we kind of have. We have an SMT1 right now.
I'm looking to get out of this short.
We have an SMT1 right now as we
Where is-
speak.
I see it.
Still can't close this, bro.
I just don't like the lack of volume here.
Bro, you should have seen me shorting the top last night, bro. I was like,
Yeah, man.
didn't move, bro.
They say
That was in short,
crypto's
didn't move.
They say crypto's too volatile. You're in a trade and like even today, I mean today was pretty kind of crazy, but
Not that.
bro,
I
me and
might-
Jabs were on call earlier and we got excited over like $150 move. Like it doesn't move.
This doesn't look too hot right now.
Yeah, I was clapping, I think.
No, this looks okay to me, to be honest. Right now, it looks
Keep
okay.
this broke. It's OB though. Fuck, man.
Yeah, but I don't care. Bitcoin hit an SFP, and what's the priority? USDT always.
Yeah, but the SFP is not confirmed, Trader Geo.
oh my
don't
god.
tell me
You
now.
care about
No,
your
no.
Mickey Mouse fucking SFP?
Oh, might work. Might work.
It's
I
not
think
confirmed.
I think this could be like a decent one here. The
I like
idea
that.
would be this. This would be the
I do
idea.
agree, actually. I do agree with you.
This would be the idea. Boom, and then up to
Or
this
we
high.
we missed mitigating the
Oh, I could be here. You have to TP here. Oh, actually this too. Damn.
Are you in?
I might be. I might be. I might not be.
Bro, you remember that? You know that like what's that fucking thing, bro? They're like, nobody's gonna know. Like, you ever hear that fucking meme?
How will
It's
they
like,
know?
Yeah. It's like you when you're fucking screaming.
Well,
I know
when I
when he's
stream,
in.
I get
If
distracted.
it goes up, I know he's in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Literally. Like, I don't care. Oh,
If
is
it goes
Geo
up, you know
long?
I'm in?
I knew it. Yes.
Why? Because I'm moving it?
No, I just know. Every time. Well, I mean, it's just like, you know, proof in
Every
the pudding.
single time it moves up, he texts me. He's like, "Are you long?" And I go, "Of course."
All
Yeah,
right.
exactly. I know. It doesn't
Oh, this
matter.
is the fucker gotten along.
I'm like, yep. I'll literally say it. Even when you're not there, I'm like, I know Geo's long.
Geo's like
Well,
a long master flex, bro.
I'm like such a perma bull lately, you know. All the people that slandered me for being a perma bear would be so proud.
Now they're all bears, though.
Yeah, well, I am quite the contrarian.
Get us to 102. Go in Bitcoin long.
Would you long it, Jabby Patty?
No, but I
Use the momentum indicators for direction.
I actually did not take this one, by the way.
We just flipped this bullish on
Don't
the
care.
30-second.
Yeah, I don't care yet.
I'm gonna look to rim see this now. We have. Let's take these.
Rim C down,
Here's the
right?
issue that I have. Right
Why
now,
would I
here's-
rim C down if we are SFPing the range low and we have 60,000 equal highs?
Yeah, I get it. But like, Bitcoin, did it take the low? Yeah, it didn't hit my OB though.
I think you rim C down, man.
Yeah, I don't like it yet. I gotta wait.
How are you? Wait, what do you even? What's the rim C though? Like what? From here?
Hold on. I'm not looking at your screen share. Yeah, that. See the boss or the last one? Yeah.
Or here?
Either of those. No. The first two. We're in it. We're in a supply chain,
Well,
right?
I can't rim C down until this breaks. Once this breaks, I'll rim C it down.
Oh. Man, I feel old.
But here I'm looking for longs. I'm at the range low. Why would I look for? Why am I rim C?
Well, not really, right? You're still in the bigger range, like on the 15. You're in fucking like you're in deviation still.
No, I
Like
know,
it hasn't
but
pulled back in the range, which is like that's why I TP'd the short. It's concerning to me. It will not close back in the range is the problem. Like for my PO3 idea, it will not close back in the range.
okay. So when we lose this, I can short it here. But I need
Yeah.
to see evidence that this is breaking. Otherwise, I'm shorting
Okay,
into demand.
So you know how I draw my supply range boxes, right?
Okay.
Draw one on the last one. On the last break of structure, right there.
Here.
That's where I would look to rim C down. Yeah.
Okay,
guys.
but I still need to see that this is failing. So
Yeah,
if
but-
we hit
okay.
it, look, we didn't hit it, right? If we hit it,
Okay.
and then we
Just-
come
just
up,
for
and then we get a
example,
distribution here, then that's telling me that this is
No.
failing.
That's fine. That's fine. But just for example, right? Either of those zones, if you cover the high and target the low, what's the risk to reward? Just
I don't know, like however you might want to refine it, but let's say 4-1, 3-1, 5-1, whatever.
that's a great trade, no?
I mean, yeah, but you have
Even
to.
if you target Geo, this is my thing. You're targeting that block. Why not take a trade to it? No.
Because it doesn't
hear
need
me
to
out.
hit the. It doesn't need to hit the block. Like this SFP could be it, and now it just rim sees up from here. I'm not saying it is, right? But I'm not shorting. Like right now, for example, I'm not shorting from here to here. Even if I know 100% it's gonna go there, I'm not shorting this.
No, I'm not saying short that. I'm saying if it comes back up in that zone, short it.
If it comes back in here and I see something, yeah, I'll try it. But I have to see something here, and it needs to be clear.
By the way, the 3-day. Never mind. Okay, never mind the low time frame shit right now. Look at the 3-day candle. Yeah, that wick. Telling you, they come back for them all the time, but not necessarily right away. But we're gonna come back until that sticks, bro.
Maybe.
Look quick.
Yeah, bro. That's like a nasty one.
Oh hell yeah, it is.
I'm down, man. I'm super down to come and hit this low. Like I want to come down again. I really want
I
to.
want to make it again. Yeah,
I
be
would
sweet.
love to
Then
come down
like
again.
a 3-day fork, bro. You'd have a 3-day fork if we did that. By the way.
I would
Penny.
love to come down again. I would love to.
Yeah.
I'm not even reading the chat. I gotta read the chat.
I would love to. And bro, we know about momentum indicators. There's a reason why we don't use them. Doesn't mean anything. Your 1 hour as a bear div Your 4 hour is still very well. There's room to run. I don't use this to help me with directional bias. I don't need it. And we're scalping, so I definitely don't need it.
Yeah, everyone in here, by the way, I'm just scalping a short. I'm not fucking trying to tell you to short to fucking 30K.
What if we go to 100K and then dump to say 78K? I think we're gonna go to 102, and then I think we're like what? Okay, not I think we're going to. My preferred scenario is 102 to 104, and then we go for 74K. I think there's a 90% chance 74K gets taken out.
He said, "Don't gotta make the guy feel like an idiot, though." Bro.
I'm not making anybody feel like an idiot.
I know I'm an idiot, bro. Fine.
Yeah, please don't follow any of these trades. Lol. He says, please don't follow any of these trades. Lol. Yeah, man, don't follow my trades.
You probably would have wanted to follow all of ours today, honestly, but
I would have
guess
what?
not. No, I'm just saying, like, anyone in here would have probably wanted to follow all the trades we took today, but I guess not.
Yeah.
People don't realize how much we make, though. Some people don't know. I just don't know, man.
All right, let's see what happens here. We're coming in.
Yeah, they're coming here. This is why I didn't want to launch. Exactly, bro. I didn't press that shit. I'm fucking delayed.
I want to see something. I want to see, like, you know, 30-second at least structure or something here.
Yeah, I'm not fucking with this unless we get something out of here. Not trusting.
Plus, I like when we have vectors.
Do you see vectors? Because I don't even see
Going
any.
into the
Yeah,
zone.
we have 30-second vector right now. I like when we have vectors. You know, usually when I said it, like, usually when you're at a top or a bottom or whatever, you will get moves that are vectors. Like, you'll see, you know, bigger tick volume coming in. And I'm really liking this arrow with, like,
Another
line arrows.
SFB.
I have another S&P locally on the 1 minute, by the way.
Another SFB as well.
Last one didn't work, though, so. Kind of shooting from like 88. I want to see like 88, 833. That's what I was hoping to see. Like a little bit deeper into that OB, but we'll see.
Now, if we get this, I'll try that.
Let me see it. And
This.
see it. Oh yeah, I'll try something like that. Yeah, but I need to see something here.
Otherwise, I'll follow it up. If it does this and
Good
breaks,
buyback
and we get
there.
this, I'll long that as well.
Yeah. I wouldn't mark
bro.
it,
We
like,
should stream for New York tomorrow.
What I gotta do tomorrow? I actually have to go. I have a doctor's appointment in the morning for reals. Thursday. Thursday morning.
Sure.
Sure.
I'll stream
Maybe
with
we'll
you.
Stream for FOMC.
I'll stream with you, Trader Geo.
Maybe we'll stream for FOMC. Yeah, I'm looking for a scalp long right now. Yeah, I'm down, Josh. That trader jab. Did you close your short?
No.
Did you TP
But
it?
oh yeah. Yeah. Can't lose. I'm already 1.5 R.
Oh, you must be almost at, like done your account now, are you?
No.
Oh.
I need 4 or no. 5.5.
Here's SMT again here.
5.5 left.
Yeah.
Probably
tomorrow.
one trade.
Yeah.
Maybe two.
Yeah,
There
there
you
we
go.
go. There we go.
All right, let's see.
Got a little something. Got a little bit of life.
I just realized, bro, like I thought that was like a big move. It was like a fucking $100 pump, bro.
No, I know, but I mean, relative to
I know.
the first sign of life, really.
I know.
Model 1,
Moon it.
pump it.
I'm currently in the profit on your Bitcoin short tonight, so to each their own. You saw what you needed to see with the momentum indicators to pull the trigger on the short. Bro, that's great. Like, you know, if you're in profit, at the end of the day, profit is profit, right?
Yeah, I'm out of my short though. I'm completely out, by the way.
Oh, I don't know if I would have done that.
Any back test now, I'm long in, and I will TP depending on what happens here. I don't like see this. You see how there's no wick here? I don't like that. Like I want to come and take this.
Oh, there's no wick, bro. There's no wick on the 3 either. On the candle we just printed on USDT.
Yeah, I much prefer that we get something like maybe we hit the if we hit this, hit it,
We're gonna, yeah.
and then come down and get anything here. I'm
I'll take
longing that.
that.
I'm not even gonna TP there. TP1 is gonna be there, and then the range high.
I feel like you're already
if that
long.
happens though. But now let's get ready. Let's just draw this out.
Here's the thing. Yeah, we have that 3-minute SD above us inside the day, right on the daily open with the VWAP and that 3-minute OB. So if this is gonna get smacked down, I think it's gonna be off that zone right above us, bro. Right at 39,167.
Yeah, like fucking Rim D.
I want to see that. This is the best case scenario. Is if we hit this box,
First, yeah.
and then we
Hit
come
it first.
down, and then we get this. That's the best case
Yeah.
scenario.
That is best case.
Okay, yeah, they're probably gonna sweep buy side, but after that, this thing is tipping over. We'll see, bro. I mean, if there's an SFP here, I will absolutely short it, and I'll try to short it down to like 85.5. I'll try. This could be a day trade short. I wouldn't say swing, but could be, right? But if this thing just breaks up, there's a lot of liquidity to the left of where we're at right now. Like there's a lot, you know, upwards to like towards 90K. There is a lot of stop losses at 90K. So it's if then, you know, I'm not saying it will tip over. I'm not saying it won't tip over. I'm saying like right now, I just said, if it does this, then I will try, right? If it doesn't do that, then I will not try. It's as simple as that. If it just does this now, well then there's no trade. And then now I'll look to back test short it, right? So it doesn't really, in the end, it doesn't really matter.
Rim C down.
Doesn't really matter. But these candles are pretty grim.
Bro, I took there was a 15-minute OB last night, right on like a high confluence area. I got in the top short on Asia. Asia's high, and then I had a limit long on a very, very, very nice order block, right? So I hear my alert go off, and I woke up. My long was up. I was kind of hedged at that point, but my long was up pretty decently. Like it was like a nice little aggressive bounce, broke structure and everything, and then it just ripped right back. So I was like, "What the fuck, man?" Like
Yeah, I
Asia.
remember that, yeah. That was today, right? Like last night, you had the thing.
Yeah. I had a limit on the
Yeah.
15-minute OP, and it just died off. It took me on a break even.
Dude, everybody got fucked today. That it went up and down literally 5 times. We fake pumped New York,
Yeah,
and then
night,
New York
bro.
dump, pump, dump, pump. It literally went 5 times. Today was crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Guys, I'm gonna long this, I think.
Okay.
Let's see, man. The candles, bro.
Slow motion, bro.
Slow mo. It's
Grabs
so
1 minute
much
that sweat.
Yep.
Yep.
See. Where's that 1.25 fib coming from? Do I have a fib here? Maybe it's on the MACD chart. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a range. My fib template is just a range. So I have like range high, range low, and then I just put the fibs. And then like a deviation zone. That's all. Nothing fancy. It actually should be like this though. I had it drawn in correctly. Should be like that. We didn't hit the 5-minute block, right? No, we didn't. So we could sweep the low one more time. Let's see if we can get it.
Actually, wouldn't mind that, bro, because it would be like, because if you could sweep that low and then break above the manipulated high that we just broke across with, that's a guaranteed long for me every shot.
Yeah,
bro.
like if we do this and then this.
Yeah, oh yeah,
And that would be a
won't-
model 1 here.
Yeah, and then it would trap the PO3 shorters, right?
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah,
I
today
love when
was
you-
crazy,
I
bro.
love
Today
when
was
you-
fast. I missed half of them because I just wasn't at the desk.
We were shoveling snow because us Canadians got hit with a shitstorm.
Yeah, I've been shoveling for 3 days. BTC seems like an asset for the rich to F around with their extra NVIDIA profits. Well, I'll tell you this. Retail is not buying Bitcoin. People, they can't afford it. Nobody can afford Bitcoin. Nobody's buying Bitcoin at 80K. I'm sure as shit not buying at 80K, I'll tell you that.
Music is like lagging hard on me. I don't know why. I don't even know why I can hear you music.
I'll buy Bitcoin at 50K.
36K.
I'll buy
33.
MicroStrategy's liquidation.
33.6, bro. I told you 15 times.
Here's what I'll do is when everybody thinks that the low is in.
You know what's gonna be hilarious?
When everyone thinks the low is in because of like, here's what's gonna happen. Michael Saylor is gonna get liquidated, and then it's gonna be a huge wick, and then everybody's gonna say that the low's in and whatever, and then they're gonna like have news that Michael Saylor is going to prison for fraud and scamming, and that's gonna be the real low.
Phoenix, look at your thing.
My what thing?
Discord.
Oh.
I don't know if
Let me see. Hold on, let me just look at what you were saying first.
Zim Zimma, who got the keys to my bimma? Bro, this is super boring.
Yeah, it really is.
You were bearish a while here? Not really. You notice how ETH took the high though, and Bitcoin did not? I'm telling you, man, that happens all the time. Like this cycle is what ETH was last cycle.
I keep forgetting to check that sometimes when I'm in the
I know,
zone. You know?
I didn't see it either. Bitcoin this cycle is exactly ETH last cycle. They flipped.
I
And
know.
it makes sense because they always have
Never
SMTs.
take lows and highs. Now it's the other way
Bitcoin
around.
never fucking takes the highs and lows. Like we're trading ETH right now. We're ETH 20. Okay, from now on, Bitcoin is called ETH 2021. That's
I'm
the
not
new
gonna lie,
ticker.
bro. Like I had I had 2 ETH scalps today that went like way better than like Bitcoin trades. It behaves pretty nicely sometimes. The structure was
Yeah,
way
it's
cleaner.
way
And
better.
actually,
It's way better.
well, here's the thing though. Like Bitcoin was pumping as my ETH short was moving. Like my ETH short worked to hit my target as Bitcoin was pumping up on like the long. It was only a 10-minute long trade, but I made 4%, right?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, we have like an internal model one here, and
What
we have
about the
SMT.
PO3?
Let's see if this thing has any legs.
What about?
Oh
Nah,
god.
All an SMT is when one takes a high and one doesn't take a high, or one asset takes a low and the other one doesn't take the same low. Like if you compare them, like time-wise, roughly, as long as it's the same. Like if you have a range high on ETH and then a range high on Bitcoin, and like for example today, Bitcoin didn't take the high, unless you were on MEXC, of course. And
Or
ETH
KSEX or Bet Unix.
what are you talking about, KSEX? The KSEX took the high?
Yeah.
What?
And,
You don't have to see
and
that.
I read that in Geo's chat, bro.
Wait, what about KSEX?
KSEX took the
fucking
highest
bro.
as well. Yeah,
They what?
they
They
took the
swept
high.
high.
Oh.
I didn't
but we
notice
don't
it.
care about KSEX. Like we don't trade
it.
on KSEX. There's no fucking liquidity there.
I trade on there.
No, I know we trade on there. We don't chart on there. That's what I meant to say. All right, let's see what happens here. This could be your model
Right.
1 now on your back test. Right?
This looks good.
It looks okay, but the problem is that it's Asia and
Banderino?
it's so fucking slow.
Banderino DP.
So slow, bro.
Yeah, let's flip the fucking 2-minute super trend.
Boy.
I'll
I can't deal with that.
fucking
Geo trading pre FOMC like a unit. Yeah, man, we're just scalping, bro. We're just
did you
shooting the
say?
shit. This could be okay now.
My
We're
kid
just
just had like
shooting
a
the shit.
fucking chip in his mouth, bro, and he was like, had it like upright. I thought it was a fucking toy, and I almost had a heart attack.
Wait, what's boying?
say it again.
My kid had like a potato chip in his mouth, but he had it instead of like putting it in his mouth like a normal person would do. He had it like upright, so it looked like a toy from a distance. And he's like, he's young, right? So he could choke and shit. But like,
Bro.
I had a mini heart attack there.
What microphone are you on right now?
Who, me?
Yeah, like are you
Sure.
on what you always talk to us on?
Yeah.
Jabs, is it like just you or just me? Like I can't really understand what he's saying right now.
Sounds normal.
He sounds normal? Maybe I gotta turn it up.
Yeah.
I feel like you're cutting out or something's weird, but maybe it's me.
Or you're cutting out on my end. That's what. Yeah, I don't know what's
Oh
going on.
really?
With you.
Maybe I'm the one that's lagging. I don't know.
Your music keeps cutting in and out on me, and then it's going fast and slow.
My music.
Yeah, you got music playing, right?
I do, but I don't know you guys could hear that.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Yep. I turned your stream volume off though.
Okay.
So
Oh, that's
Okay, well,
fine.
yeah, my bad. It sounded like you were kind of cutting out. I don't know. Music is loud. You guys got to tell me when there's like sound, because I can't hear what you guys hear. Like the stream, I mean, not you guys. Well, you guys also, but anyway, this looks pretty good right now.
yeah, it does. It does.
This looks
Bro, how do you
nice.
turn the stream volume off, Jeffs?
Click on like. Oh, here we go. Boomer Phoenix. All right, you're on Discord, yeah?
Yeah, well, yeah.
In our call, just go like click on Geo's screen share, like full
Okay.
screen is his thing, and then you see the little microphone next to it, like the little sound thing. Like if you full screen it, there's only one thing to the left. On the bottom right, there's only one thing to the left. Just click mute.
Mine doesn't click though. Oh, I found it. Yep. To the right though. It wasn't to mine's to the right, not the left. Or either that or you're dyslexic.
Yo, auction is up 4%. Bro, this I don't know what this coin is doing lately, but wow, today was up 6. Or no, this was the other day when I told you that it went up 40% or 50% in a day.
Is that what the one you're? Did you
Yeah,
tell me about
that? Yeah, that's the one that I told you. Look at this. We had like a big capitulation and then it pumped 500%. That's crazy.
Crazy. Yeah, but it's probably low fucking liquidity, right?
Yeah, it's a shit coin.
We can probably only go like fucking 2K leverage in.
Bro, all of these coins, I'm not even joking. Every single one of them is going to fucking zero.
Oh yeah, they will. Shit coins always go to zero.
Except ETH. Well, I mean, fuck. Solana about did too. Honestly, can't even say anything.
Our last bull market.
They're all going to zero. The last bull market was the like exit liquidity for the market makers.
Bro,
is there a bearish Model 1 on Bitcoin right now? Please look.
I can see it on another screen.
By the way, the max position size for auction on KSX is no matter your leverage, pretty much is only 10 grand. Like you can only go in 10 grand, not margin, $200.
Wow.
What?
Yeah, I can only open a 10K. So it's like a 0.1 Bitcoin trade. The max I can go in.
So take one just for shits.
Oh, here we go.
I will. I'll fucking max along. You want me to do it right now?
Yeah, do it.
Okay, hold on. I'll do it right now. Ready?
Yeah, go.
See if it actually, let's see if it actually moves.
What is it on big time or auction?
Or do it at the same time as me though. We'll do it at the same time. See if we can move it.
Wait, is it auction or big time though?
Auction. You said auction, right?
Yeah, auction. Okay, hold on. Wait, let me get ready. Let me open up KSX. I'm not on KSX right now. Okay, we're gonna mark it long at the same time. Full.
Okay,
full
now
thing.
it's not letting me take the trade though. What the fuck? Hold on.
Auction. I've never taken an auction trade before, but whatever. Fuck it.
Hang on. I'm having an issue here.
1500 auction is the max that I can do.
I know. That's all I can do too.
$200.
That would be about. That would be about. That would be about 10K. Yeah, that makes sense.
It doesn't say like
31K is the low. I would love 31 to be the low.
Ready? Ready?
Okay,
One,
two,
two,
three.
Go. I'm in.
I'm in too. 1500, right?
We actually moved it a little bit there. I seen that. Yeah, I'm at max. Yeah.
It dumped.
Oh my, they're fucking hunting us. Wait, auction or big time?
You said auction, bro.
Yeah, I went in auction too. Wow, I'm down $14. You owe me $14.
I'm at 25.
You owe me a you owe me a roll up the rim.
Fuck. Bro, I lost 31 bucks on that.
You owe me a roll up the rim.
Wow. Scammers.
You owe me a roll up the rim.
Did you dumped it. Mario fucking shorted it.
Way. That's hilarious, man. We just like cleared the order book on KSX and they fucking hunted us right away. That's funny.
Yeah, literally. Basically you owe me a roll up the
Oh,
rim.
they literally dumped it. Look. Yeah, they actually we actually would have got liquidated on that if we had have stayed in. I think.
Crazy. See, when you're at the top of the hill, they gun for you when you're at the top of the hill.
Yeah, even when you're taking $200 a 10K trade, that's hilarious.
If I was an itty bitty fish, then they would just let me go, you know?
That was funny though.
But I'm at the top of the hill.
Honestly, I don't think Bitcoin's going to 30K.
We'll see, man. It depends on like what. Like I think that there's no way the low is in until Michael's scammer gets liquidated. So it depends on what happens around that whole situation.
I think it's going to fucking 60K minimum.
You mean maximum?
I'm revenge trading auction now.
Yes, maximum. Sorry. Damn, they just dumped my shit. Is that not a Model 1 on the fucking 1 minute, bro?
It could be.
Fuck.
Could be. Yeah, but it could also just be rim seeing up right now, right?
Or rim seeing down. Remember? Ever
It
my
could-
zone?
It definitely could be. Like if you were long and you see this and you see that, yeah, now it's de-risked.
No good. Yep.
Because we still have this zone below. This could just be your 1, your 2, and your 3 here, and then that pops out.
Okay,
we'll
so look at draw my zone back in.
Which zone?
Draw it back in. My
The one
rim
above or the
zone
one below?
to short to 0. Nope, not that
Yeah,
one.
here.
Yep.
Yeah, I got you. I know what you're saying.
And you have the 30-second
I know
flip.
what you're saying. I don't think
Go
so.
to 0.
bro. I don't think so, broski.
I'm long with you.
I know.
saying.
I'm just saying too. No chance that the 49K low won't be taken. Like I'm inclined to agree with you. But for me, it's not because of a technical standpoint. It's because everybody that bought what is it called? The fucking thing that we had in 2024?
I don't know.
What are you talking about?
The shit where you could buy it like through institutions or whatever.
Yeah.
What the fuck is it? ETFs,
Oh,
yeah.
the ETF.
My reasoning is because the ETFs because of the ETF, like the people that bought the ETFs have not seen drawdown for even 1 millisecond. And people don't know how to invest. So what they'll do is they'll buy and then they'll be up and then they'll be so happy and they'll have their Bitcoin boners in the air. And then they won't sell because people don't want to sell in profit. They'll wait, not intentionally, but when things start dumping and they start coming back to their entry, and like obviously it's not like a trade, it's a spot trade. And then when it goes into the red, that's when they're gonna like, you know, panic sell because they don't want to lose, right? Like they're afraid to lose, but they weren't happy winning. It's exact opposite. But all of the people that bought the ETFs need to sell. They need to get flushed out. And we went from 43, which is when the ETFs launched. I think it went down to like 41, and then it went up only from there. So the ETF people almost literally never even saw 1 second of drawdown. And for that reason, so context, right? Something I've been talking about lately a lot, context. For that reason, I think there's no way that, so that's why I'm saying I'm inclined to agree with you. I think that we will see, maybe not sub 40K, but we will see down to the ETF entries again. I do think that.
Bro, do you know you could trade gold on KSX?
Yeah, you can trade so much shit. And same with MEXC, you can trade stocks and stuff. I didn't know that.
Well, they just did that because all the fucking liquidity is there.
Yeah, probably, to be honest. Like, man, crypto is so dead. Crypto is so deaf. All them saying ETF blah 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 won't dump big money. Yeah, dude, I agree with you. Like when they're like, nah, man, the institutions will protect our ETFs. You're so stupid. When have the institutions ever given a fuck about the investors? Never.
They don't give a
They're
shit. They're taking money in your feet. They're not making money
the-
on guys
yeah.
holding it.
Yeah, they're the ones dumping on your ass. They're literally stabbing you in the back and then smiling to your face. That's what they do. They stab you in the back and then aid you in front of you. And they're like, oh my God, who stabbed you? Like, let me get a Band-Aid. Let's get a Band-Aid. Get a Band-Aid in it. Bro, all this time and Bitcoin is down 0.1%. Like, what is happening, dude?
I don't know, trading gold. I'm a gold member now.
Dude, I'm down. Yo, let's trade listen, on Thursday, let's do New York and let's do futures. Let's do ES and NQ.
All right.
We'll get Top Step. Fuck crypto, bro. This shit doesn't move. I'm bored.
Well, I'm so bored of this shit. You have no idea.
And I told you earlier, I was like tweaking to jabs. I'm like, dude, I can't fucking do this. He's like, yes, you can. Lock in. I'm like, bro, like as if I was being tortured. I'm like, I can't fucking do this. I can't. It doesn't move.
I'm gonna trade gold actually right now. Might scalp gold. I might long gold right. If we dip that low, we got a 2-minute OB right underneath us in gold. I might scalp along on it.
I can't.
POC.
I can't wait for them. You know how everyone says like Bitcoin's been the best performing asset for 15 years. Blah, 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 blah. I can't wait for them to say Bitcoin's been the worst performing asset for 15 years. It went from 126,000 down to $126. That would be the best. I actually agree with you on the 40K ETF narrative. You were thinking the same thing. That's what makes sense to me, man. That's what makes sense to me. Now, obviously, we don't know what's going to happen if we get close to there, right? Like, maybe we don't even ever see 60K again, right? Maybe. But, like, the plan can change if we get close or whatever. But we're just kind of speculating right now. You know, we're shooting the shit. I wanna follow where she goes. But you also think that the next year 4-year all-time high won't be sub 200K? I don't even think there's going to be another 4-year cycle, to be honest with you. But what I will say is that I was not, like, a lot of people are saying that this is the end of the 4-year cycle, but I said that 3 years ago, that this is the last one, I think. So, yeah, I don't think there's going to be another 4-year cycle. I think we're going in the Great Depression. You know, I've said this many, many times on the channel. I think we're in the Great Depression, but 100 years later. So the 2030s are going to be no different than the 1930s. You know, not only are we going to have a recession, but we're going to have the Great Depression. I think it's going to be a financial global reset, and I don't think Bitcoin is going to survive that. Like the ES is not even going to survive that. How the hell is Bitcoin going to survive that? I think ES will go in a multi-year bear market. And same with crypto. Obviously. So that's me. I'm you know, like I said, people called me perma bear. People say I'm a pessimist. I say I'm a realist. But whatever. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Who cares? Are you still in, Jabs?
What, long?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Trader J?
Stops under the low.
See how bad gold is in the 30-second.
Should I buy a 57-inch ultra widescreen G9 Odyssey? $55-inch Odyssey Arc? Whoa.
No, bro.
Why?
Everyone's curved monitors are ass, bro.
Yeah, but this looks cool.
Okay, get it.
My monitors right now are curved. No, I don't care about the curve of it. That's not what I care about.
Okay.
55-inch Odyssey Arc. Oh, this came out a year ago? I don't want it. I only want new stuff.
Enormous, flashy, aimed at gamers.
Nah, that looks OD. Get that.
What's OD?
Good.
That monitor is outdated. Your 52-bit best. Okay, hold on. Let me ask you guys. When I say you guys, I'm referring to the chat. Okay, who has like good monitor for trading setups?
Dude, fucking ask.
For those who are in along, New York is gonna tear your thing a new hole. Yeah, well, whatever. I'm not gonna be in any trades when I go to bed. Okay, right now I have dual 27, but I want one more. I want one more monitor though. I want 3 monitors. 34-inch, 45-inch, 45 ultra wide. What is that? LG? Have I not seen Tino's setup? No, I haven't seen Tino's setup. What does his look like? Minimum 3. You have a 70-inch touch screen? What?
Dude, what? What now?
Oh my days. You have the G9 Odyssey 55. That's this, right? Is that this one? Oh no, you have the wide one, the ultra wide one. Interesting. Man, you know what would be best? There's like vertical monitors. I feel like, and you guys can tell me if I'm like bugging. This, not like exactly this one, but there are like vertical monitors. No, that's not the one that I wanted, that I was thinking of. Anyways, and to put like 4 of those vertically, I feel like this one would be so good for trading. And you get 2 of these, right? 2 of those, and you go side by side. You see, Javs?
Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah.
Dual 49-inch stacked is the same as for... Yeah, that I know. That much I know. Okay, listen, if you guys want to send pictures, go in the Discord. The link is in the description down below, and drop it in the general chat. Okay, drop it in general. Drop it here. Drop it here. If you have cool stuff that you want me to see, drop it in there. It's free. Just click the link in the description if you're not in there. Yeah, in the Discord. Yeah, I wanna kind of switch up here because I really want to. Maybe we write best monitor for trading.
Who are you asking, Nancy?
No, I'm asking YouTube.
Bro, KSX will only let me open 5 silver long. Like what?
Yeah, but is it like micros or minis or whatever?
Neither, bro. Like it's a $2 margin.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, what the fuck?
KSX
man?
is a
Scammers.
scam.
Yet they'll let me open like a 500k gold position. What? The logic doesn't logic, bro.
This looks cool. I like this kind of angled thing.
Bro, no.
No, I don't think I would do it, but it looks kind of cool. Looks kind of cool.
This is the Samsung Odyssey Arc.
Here's the problem with the vertical stuff. Is that like you break your fucking neck looking up.
Yeah, bro.
So it's like I guess I kind of want to eat my cake
So-
and have it too. Like I want more screens, but I don't
No,
wanna,
I know, but yeah, but you look at that and you're paralyzed.
Bro,
So-
what if I put 4 vertical monitor setup?
Bro, look at Don Mario's setup guy. He has it
Where?
down, I think, maybe.
Where? Can you send me it?
Like, I'd have to dig through it, but I could. Like,
Can you
not
dig
this
through
minute.
it?
As you can see, it
No.
really matches the
No.
referred to the studio.
That's fucking effort. That's effort, bro.
Dude, I had to fucking scroll through the whole thing earlier to fucking whatever it is.
Very clean and hidden with a
That's it. We gotta go long and gold.
Yeah, let's see what you guys are saying. I don't
Yeah,
want to
maybe look for
accidentally. I don't want to accidentally leak shit like Phoenix does. Okay.
Oh yeah, look at this guy.
How big
That's
is
pretty.
this?
No, that's fire though.
Yeah,
No.
this is sick. This is sick.
Yeah, that's fire. I think.
What
I
is
feel
this
like
one?
that's
Oh
pretty cool.
shit. Okay. That's a 49 or
Oh.
at least 59, whatever. Like that's super ultra wide. I had an ultra wide, and then, whoa. Holy smokes, this is crazy.
What?
Look. What the hell?
Yeah, but who's fucking doing that guy?
That's excessive. I know these monitors have issues, they break. That's sick though. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know, man. 52 or 51. I will tell you the problem. There's only one problem with me going ultra wide. And the problem is that it's not good for streaming. Like it makes it very difficult for me to stream. Okay, about to take the low. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Moon it.
Moon it. All right, let's see. Maybe we get something. Maybe we don't. We'll see. Man, trading low volume is my kryptonite. Like
That's Phoenix's shit, bro. That's like his favorite thing to do, I think.
still live, Brett. Still live.
Not this low though. It's too low. I like a medium, like in between. I don't like too fast.
No, I like fast. Bro, listen, next time you think it's too fast, just like look for the breakers. I'm telling you, look for the breakers. And not my version, your breakers. You're the one that taught me them, but not the ones that you've been doing lately. They work all the time. All the time.
You just set a limit on them or what? You're marking into
No,
them?
this is what happens. Look, let's so here's what'll happen, right? There's supply here. We come right through it, so that's our breaker. Then they'll come here, they'll fucking induce it. They'll do this, and they'll pop out. They do this all the time. So it's sick because you can trade the range, like you can trade this local range and then take that as an SFP, but you have a reference point.
Like how low are you on these things though? How low of a time frame are you going with them?
I'm just looking for a single candle OB that is an order block or is a breaker. That's it.
Do you find they're usually on the top, or do you find they can be like halfway down?
Wherever they are, I draw them out. Yeah, literally wherever it is. We had one today.
Mid time frames, but I'll try it.
But here's the thing: it has to follow your rules.
Yeah, it's
It
right through it.
can't-
Yeah.
Yeah, so it can't like hang around. It can't have multiple candles. It can't have multiple candles. The only exception that I personally do is if you have like the inefficiencies go through them like okay, the candle can't open or close in that zone, but many candles can go through it. I don't care about that. So like if you have fuck me, man, this stupid leg. If you have like, a breaker and then that breaker like okay, you have supply and then it turns into a breaker and then it's a double breaker, like that's okay. As long as there's only a single candle in that level.
Yeah, I'll use that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just never use them to enter trades on a low time frame, but you're telling me they work.
When you're trending, like when you know that you're going to continue that move, it is the best. They work all the time. And people, what happens often is, let's just say there's no supply or no demand, right? People will be pulling their golden pocket and whatever, and they'll be wanting a pullback and they won't get it. And it's because what'll hold is the breaker.
Yeah, that makes sense because people are waiting and they just don't get hit. And they're like, did we hit that order block yet or what?
Yeah, we just hit it right now, and we have a beautiful return to zone right now, back up to the highs. So this looks good, nice.
Yeah, I'm ready. Tell me when to long it, bro.
I'm ready. I'm watching. We have SMT as well. Not bad. We got to see what happens here. So USDT is still in our zone. We have SMT. We have a bullish SMT on the trigger now as well. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on here. A lot going on. We might have it soon. We have like a trigger SMT. I would want to see USDT get above here though. I would want to see that.
So slow motion though, eh?
I know. Man, that's the thing. Like what I was saying about ES and NQ is even if it doesn't move, like if the price stays and it's just consolidating, at least it's fucking moving. Like half the time I'm here thinking, did my screen freeze? Like, why is this shit not moving?
Yeah.
At least like there's liquidity, you know, even if it's consolidating ES and NQ, there's liquidity at the minimum.
There's your rim C down, by the way.
Bro, nobody said that it couldn't be a rim C down.
Here we go.
But what did I say? I need the demand to fail, or yeah, I need the demand to fail. I need the D spot to fail. Welcome to the good life. 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 What broker? I'm using Top Step. Well, I'm not using it actively. When I do trade it, I use Top Step, but I've never been funded on Top Step, and I didn't really do it enough. Yo, somebody send me the Tino setup if you know where it is. If you see it, if you know where it is. ETH just hit the long zone now as well.
USDT is like right on the verge of breaking.
Yeah, USDT is on the absolute thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I flipped it. Whenever I'm like actually entering, it's just easier to see divergences. So yes, I did flip it.
It's way easier, bro. I told you.
Yeah, it's way easier. Okay, we're looking not horrible right now. You sent the link in the chat. Let's see the chat. Yeah, I'll check this out. Oh, I don't want to open up Amazon. Yeah, I'll do that later. This is clean.
Who's that?
That's badass.
Yeah, that's clean. I can download a program and set up screens inside the screen. Oh, I didn't know that. Interesting. Look at this. That's the best setup right there.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's
as
goated
shit.
right there. Listen,
Yeah.
why can't I get like?
I gotta post that somewhere else.
Yeah, these are good. These are nice setups here. This one is sick.
Damn.
What channel's that in, bro? I need to see it.
This is just the general. This one is sick as fuck. I like your roof.
Yeah, how the fuck did you do that? Who is that? Because I want to know how you did that. Because I could be interested in something like that.
Hit him up. Offset.
Here we go.
Offset. He nuked. Nuke it.
Moon it.
Well, I'll tell you this. You know,
Rim C down.
Mexi was the ticker to watch, clearly.
Yep. I've been
Well, that
saying
sucks.
that. So does Trader Mario. So
Gay.
Yeah, that's pretty gay. I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm laughing at this fucking little like fucking 2-inch screen fucking set up, bro. It's hilarious.
I know, I didn't see the
what
SMT.
with the little laptop?
It was like a potato computer, bro.
Damn, I should have just held my shit, bro.
Told you.
Got a deal to watch.
No, you
deal,
didn't.
not a fan of
You
white
said, oh, I'm
screens.
longing this and that. I'm longing. Bro, I'm trying to long, blah, blah, blah.
What,
Oh,
me?
my-
I'm never shorting this, blah, blah, blah.
Bro, listen, I don't care that it went down. I'm never gonna
No,
short
I'm not
60,000.
talking to you. I'm talking to Phoenix.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm never shorting 60,000
I'm
equal
not
highs.
coming at
so
you. You want to
I'm
go,
on,
pal?
I'm on Phoenix's side with it.
You don't want to fucking go with me. I promise you, you don't.
I will fight you, kid.
I promise you.
I will fight you, kid. I asked you to arm wrestle and you said no.
I didn't want to hurt you. That's why I said that.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I literally said I don't want to hurt you.
Santiago Cruz, thank you for the one. And thank you for the one last time as well. Appreciate you. All right, so far on stream, we had one winner and one loser. And we're like break even. And today's a break even day also, pretty much. Today sucked for me.
Listen, we just touched the anchor view up, which is also Monday's high. And we have fast vectors down on the low time frame, 2 minute, and probably 5 and probably 10. Yeah.
Bro, even if shorts are looking good, like
We're accepted
if I
back
don't
into
have
the
an
range.
entry, if I don't have a way to enter, it's Mickey Mouse for me, you know, unfortunately. Like I'm not shorting the range low. That's never gonna happen. So listen, if you're short, GG, well played. You know, I'll wait for something else. It's no biggie. It's no biggie. Lasers go pew pew pew. Thank you for the 2.
Yeah, if we bounce here, I'm trying to scalp and go fuck.
Tomorrow 88k. I love going to 85 to 85.5 is my favorite play. That's my favorite play. So I'm not like, you know, we're here scalping right now. I'm not saying we're not going down. I'm not saying we're going to the moon. Right? By any means. Although I would rather pump than dump right now. I don't want to dump right now.
It's so cold out here. It's insane.
Are you
Cold up there.
outside?
I was just outside and it froze my nuts off in like 3 seconds.
Raider White Phoenix.
Oh my
Well, what are you doing outside, guy?
Let my dog out.
Letting the dog go? Letting the
Bro,
dog
it's gotta be
go?
minus 30 easy. Feels like it. I'm checking right
Letting the
now.
dog go. If I zoom
Okay.
out, hold on. If I zoom out, we're technically in a downtrend, and in the 1 hour, this could be the end to a lower high, lower low. Yeah, I mean, I'm not denying that at all. I want to take this low out again, but I would prefer we come and we hit this and then we go down. I would prefer we take these highs out.
I want fucking 91 before we dump again.
Yeah, I want
can't
91.
Bro, I can't believe I keep falling for this equal high shit every time.
Man, we need to like fucking make it our wallpaper that ETH is trading like Bitcoin last cycle and Bitcoin's ETH this cycle. That's why it's so gay. Like
Yeah, I'm not-
Bitcoin has been so fucking gay because ETH was gay last time.
Yeah, it's pretty.
They flipped the gay. Sergey. Sergey. All right, if we get above here, I'm trying another one. I'm just gonna go for it, and if whatever the result of that is gonna be the end of my stream. If it's a win, great. If it's a loss, great. Don't care.
Yeah, I'm pretty. This
That's
is
my
pretty
last.
stupid.
That's gonna be my last try.
Gonna need you anyway.
If we get above this guy here. Geo, learn patience. That choke squeeze always happens after an impulse move. Let London pass and New York Open will reveal itself. Yeah, we're just scalping, bro. We're just scalping. Geo, you have 10 indicators on your chart. What am I hiding from you? No, I mean, I have VWAP. I have order block. I have structure. I have higher time frame candles. I have my watermark. I have my TR main, which is my vector candles. I have the super trend. You know, this stuff is all stuff that's going to be coming in the next module.
Bro, it's all stuff you teach anyway, though. It's just
Yeah, it's nothing. It's nothing crazy. It's been gay for almost 6 months to a year. I would argue that Bitcoin's been gay this entire bull run.
Yeah, I agree. There has been much better fucking trading elsewhere. Let's put it that way.
Okay, I'm not ready to pull the trigger yet, but I'll try a little scalp. But I need to see something more here.
Yeah, I don't like how he broke those zones on ETH and fucking USDT.
Yeah. I mean, ETH is still in its zone. ETH is flipping up from its zone.
Oh,
So
that
it's
zone.
actually, it's doing not as bad. Yeah, it's not as bad.
If you look at the post I shared in This Is So Juicy. That's not my chart. That's Don's chart. And look at the channel. Like, it rejected to the fucking dollar off it, right? And that's kind of what he thinks. We're just going to rotate to, like, the middle or whatever. I think we already did, though.
Wait, give me 1 sec.
It's just following a rising channel is all it's doing.
Wait, what the fuck just happened? Okay, 1 sec. I gotta hide my screen. What the I don't even know what just happened. Yeah, I'm being you right now. What? What is happening? Oh, I shorted 97 point I think 6 or 5 on stream. I shorted it. I shorted that. I don't know what the fuck just happened though to my. Like I'm longing 88.7 and I'm out at like, 89, like a $300 move. Like we're scalping. Yeah, we're here scalping. No, I know all the screens are gone. I had to do something like weird happened and I didn't want to leak anything by accident.
You didn't want to pull away from
But
it.
I'm gay.
I make billions off of that.
Yeah, billions, yeah.
Not
Not billions, bro. Like, like people, like even risking like 2K a trade, like easy 50K a day scalping, easy.
Did Bitcoin just take the low again?
Almost.
Like here's
SFB.
the thing, dude, is like even the dump, like we're dumping right now and it's not even dumping, like down 0.4%. Like if you're gonna dump, just dump.
Yeah, I should have kept my short open.
So
That's what they
low.
That's what they do, though, bro. That's what they did last night when I was snatching for it, bro. It took forever to play out, man. Like way too long. Why are all my mentors Canadian? It's the maple syrup, bro. There's something in the syrup that gives you max gains.
The best part of this monitor.
I didn't even know there was such thing as a touch screen like that.
Me either, actually.
You know what you can do? You can do the whole, what is it called? Like Wheel of Fortune thing where you go and you touch the screen. You could be like the girl with the tits out. This is the one. Jabs, look at this.
Hold on.
Oh, this is the one.
By God, who the fuck is that?
Bro, every time you like, what are you? That girl keeps popping up on your screen like constantly. It's worse than your fucking X page.
Wait,
Babe-
who was that
Babe
though?
Bennett.
Who is that?
Yeah, this
Nick
one,
Air
this is
23?
sick. This one is sick. This one wins. Oh, this is Tino?
No way.
That's
How does
part
he
of
read that?
Tino?
What? Bro, that would give me like an aneurysm for sure.
That's too much, bro.
He uses
Nah.
like market cipher type shit.
That's crazy.
I didn't know that.
Are you sure it's him though? Like,
No need of that. That's too much.
no way.
Bro, I'm like fucking
would-
trading with one monitor half the time. Like, I don't know how people need all that. That's crazy as fuck.
Yeah, you would have fucking vectors on there for sure, bro.
Wait, that's not. How could this be Tino's if
It can't
I'm
be.
here? This is not Tino. This is whoever's watching. This is his.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Nick, that's Nick, bro.
This
Yeah,
is
it must-
fucking crazy. I need to do
Bro.
this. And wait, this is connected to your Mac. How are you putting 3 screens on your Mac though?
Wait, where's his Mac?
Bro, can you link me? I swear to God, I'm
That's
fucking buying.
It's a Windows computer. Zoom in. It's fucking Windows. Look at the fucking bottom. That's Windows, bro.
Bro, there's a Mac here and there's a Mac here. What do you mean that's
He must
Windows?
have 2 extra. Yeah, but he has like 2 extra
Oh.
laptops.
Oh, so this guy's
Oh.
really doing it. He's really fucking doing it.
Damn, this is sick.
All right, bro. He's
Yeah, that's-
really doing it. Though.
I'm doing
Bro.
this. I'm doing this. I need more
Bro, you
screens.
can't even. Bro, you're saying you can't look at 6 fucking charts though. Like, how the fuck you gonna do that?
That's like
Bro, that's way too much.
count them.
No, but I'm like, okay, I'll rotate my 2 current screens. So I have the left one and I have the right one, and then I'll just get a
Yeah.
big one in the middle.
Oh, okay. So count how many charts he has open right now.
How many how many screens or how many charts? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, wait, 8,
Yeah, bro, that's
12,
OD.
13.
Yeah, I don't look at all that shit, man. I don't need all that. That's too much for
But
me.
I like
mean,
the big
it's in the
one.
setup.
I like
Cool.
the idea of having like a you know, Kenny is on a fucking 60-inch monitor.
Yeah, fuck that, man. I'm literally walking around with a MacBook that's like 16 inches in my hand, and I'm fucking scalping like a motherfucker. I don't need all that.
I know, but I want to be able to look at. You know what it is I want the template. Like I want to be able to have this template.
I know what you're saying.
I want to have this template though, and then have it. I want one for BTC, one for ETH, and one for USDT. And
Okay,
I
well, then
currently
just-
can't do that with my setup right now.
Can't you just buy an extra monitor and hook it up to your MacBook, or what?
Yeah, I can get one more like 27-inch.
Can you have how many monitors can you have hooked up to it? 2?
I don't know. I just bought this thing.
Yeah. I'm asking because I'm actually curious because I
No, I know.
thought
I'm
there's.
saying like I
Yeah.
just bought this thing, so I don't really.
Yeah, what is? Oh, I don't know what it is. What's the thing?
Like I bought this thing that allows you to have multiple.
Monitors?
Yeah, but every single time I bought one of those, it doesn't work well for me. So.
What do you mean? Though? Like they don't
Like,
function?
okay, Mac. Long story short, Mac stops you from doing that. Like it doesn't
Really?
let you do it. Yeah, so you have to buy this like extra thing, and every time I bought a thing, it doesn't work.
What? Like you can't move your mouse over to it, kind of thing. By the way, Raven,
no,
we're
like
live.
it doesn't let you connect it. Like it doesn't work. So you need to like buy a thing.
Are we bouncing here?
Yeah, we're getting a little
Okay.
bounce here. I like the
now.
way that I like this. I want this, but I want to see one for BTC, one for ETH, and one for.
We might get a flip
thing.
zone here, by the way. Flip zone maybe on the one
Yeah,
on
I'm
the 2.
watching. I'm watching. This is a long zone. Like we're in the long zone. So
Yeah, see.
get
We-
me stones.
Juicy.
Super juicy. Super juicy. Super duper juicy.
Yeah. Fuck, I was looking at ETH thinking I was looking at Bitcoin. I got messed up there. Wow. How did I manage that? We just hit my anchor VWAP range to the dollar, bro. That's what we're bouncing from right now. Two-minute ST. If we get above that and then back test, I'm going in. You know what ST stands for.
I know what
It's
it's
not-
not for.
And it's not trend.
What is like a good? What is this monitor? Like a 43-inch or something? Okay, if I take my 27-inch monitor and I rotate it this way, What
Okay,
is
hype.
the dimension of that?
Taking a screenshot. Thanks, Shadow knows.
27-inch monitor dimensions. is what I
Without a
need.
doubt? Bro, I thought there's only one. Why does my MacBook only have one fucking thing then for a monitor? It's only fucking 2 years old or like a year old. Yeah, mine only has one. What the fuck? Am I blind?
No, but you're a boomer.
It's a Pro, so why the fuck doesn't it have more than one slot?
Maybe it's not a whore.
No, mine only has one slot. That's stupid as fuck. Why? How many? Do you actually have 2 slots in yours though?
I have like fucking 3. Mine's a
On your
whore.
Mac.
Yeah, like 3 USB-C. You mean?
No, not
Or
USB-C.
HDMI?
HDMI.
No, it only has one HDMI, but you connect the other ones via USDC.
Oh, I thought
You
you
know
had
what
it.
USDC means, Mr. Boomer?
Yeah. Fucking.
This guy's calling HDMI a slot.
Yeah.
Wait,
what-
what, I don't understand what you're saying either. So,
What I'm
Bro.
saying?
yeah.
Yeah, me either.
Wait, Jabs, are you still using your MacBook?
Yeah, I just don't like when I'm home, no. Like if I'm out, yeah.
Guys, what's the docking? That's called docking station. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so I need to have a
I
docking
guess you-
station. Is what you're
Yeah,
saying?
but you close it. You close the whole. You close the computer. I think.
Okay, but I don't like closing it because I like taking the trades off this one, and if I'm streaming,
What the hell? Dude, look at this one, Jabs.
That's cap.
what? That's AI.
I
for
hope
sure.
you're a fucking millionaire. It is AI. There's no way it would reflect on the floor, bro. Not a fucking chance. I know you can
Guys-
do that on the ceiling, but no way. No.
Okay,
No,
well,
it's
this looks sick as
computer doesn't
fuck,
look real.
though. I
Walk
don't
away.
care
I
if
want
this is AI. This looks cool.
to see a video if that's real. That's AI as fuck. Okay, zoom in. You can see AI's flaws. Zoom in. Stay there for a second. Yeah, that's fucking AI as shit. Like you can tell by
Okay.
this way. Are.
Okay, fine. It's AI.
You can do the
Who
ceiling
cares?
like that.
How sick is that, though?
It is sick though. I will agree. That is sick. But it's AI.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yo, listen, hold on. Sick of owning you. Sicko founding you. Sick of owning you. I'm on your side, bro. They're haters. This is sick. Fuck the AI.
No, it has to be okay.
All right, this is cool too.
Whole concept though. It is sick. Like,
Yeah,
the
see,
concept.
these LG, like, this is what I'm talking about. This, like, square, like, vertical monitor or whatever. That's cool.
Okay, so get one. GG.
Get one. JetX. Get one. Stories. Live screen. This is so... That's funny. That's so funny. Yeah, this is sick, though.
My profitable room trading setup. Go back to that one. I want to see what he
Yeah,
said.
that's funny. That's funny.
Damn, he got pissed.
What is that? What is that
It's
though? What's
tricky.
broken?
All right, let's see if we can get into this trade, man. This looks like, hey, you know what I mean? Can I tell you guys a little secret? Will you get mad at me if I tell you the secret?
Gio,
Yeah,
say a
no,
number 1 through 50.
4.
Can I? 39.
4.
Okay.
He said Geo, not Phoenix.
36.
4.
17.
4.
Okay.
14 and a half.
Sick of owning you says it's not AI.
No
Yeah.
way. Okay, show me a video. 10-second video clip. Let's go.
Yep.
This is
You
the
guys see it?
sickest
I'll
shit
be
I've
listen.
ever
If you
seen.
give me a 3-second video clip, I'll believe you. This. Okay,
I
let me show
think-
my wife.
listen.
She's got the AI eye. My wife's got
Listen,
the.
sick of
She has
owning
the
you.
AI eye. She can pick an AI like no one's ever heard of before. I'm telling you right now. Come here. I'm gonna.
Listen, sick of owning you. The hater here.
It's AI, right?
Hater Phoenix. I
It's
think just
definitely-
doesn't. I think he just wants to see how does your like the floor is what's throwing them off.
It's cap. The floor is fucking bullshit.
What if the floor's a mirror?
It doesn't make sense with the poles on the ground.
Yeah.
Who said that?
My wife.
Oh. Okay. I was like, what the hell just happened?
Yeah.
Zoom in again. I gotta see it again.
It's called epoxy. Epoxy flooring.
No way.
Dude, who
Yeah,
the fuck
it's
is talking right
flooring.
now?
It's Raven, bro.
No.
Oh,
I
Raven
really
just
just-
came in. Dude, I don't know
All
what the
this
last
is
30
cap.
seconds of my life was, but... What
All
is it
this is
called,
bullshit.
Raven?
It's
By the way,
epoxy
wait,
flooring.
hold on. Before you continue, we are live on YouTube.
Oh fuck.
Okay? So they can
fuck.
hear you.
Okay. Okay.
That's your first response.
He said, "Oh fuck."
It's called what? Epoxy?
Yeah, epoxy, bro.
Yeah, it's epoxy flooring.
No.
Quite
guys are
famous
getting
in America.
Who is...
Long zone's working pretty nicely so far, by the way. If we
The
come
long
back,
zone- The long zone's working very well. I took it. That was my little secret.
we could have shared.
Oh, epoxy. This is cool. These setups are cool.
yeah.
Okay. Are you a streamer? Next level? You a streamer, broski? I should get some cool lights in my room like this. Okay, so 3 trades on the stream, 1 win, 1 loss. And right now I'm in profit.
Okay.
Phoenix, when Wyckoff network going up, bro?
I don't know right now. Hold on. I'm trying to figure something out.
It wasn't me asking. Don't yell at me. See what you did?
Trying to
Hassan,
figure.
B and Yusuf, you got me in trouble. You got me in trouble by White Phoenix.
No, I gotta save the image. Hold on. I'm just gonna go into GPT here.
GPT.
Nancy GPT. Let's see what Nancy says.
You guys are not allowed to talk to my chat GPT. Make your own. Make
Okay.
yours Fred.
Okay, I'm gonna send you. Okay, but just privately. I'm sending you the answer here. Ready?
Yeah,
Don't open it on stream though.
I'm not going to, and I'm not going to click these links either.
Okay, there you go.
How long have you been in the Discord for? I don't want to click Facebook links.
Jabs, do you see what I sent?
Hold on. I knew it was a scam.
Yeah.
hmm.
Yeah.
Imagine getting more than like a $200 move ever before having to take TP.
ITP.
I'm about to TP here. If it breaks my line. If it breaks up with Tori, I'm TPing and I'll get back in.
You can see that water there. Why was there water on the fucking floor?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.5.
You have to say
Zero
I.
Diva.
Remember? You go ITP.
ITP. Okay, hurry up. Push out. And I'm out. Not I'm out, I take half. Take half out. Take half out. Now if it runs, cool. If it comes back, cool, whatever.
Where'd you get in?
I'm in at 856. 88856.
That low.
I'm in from here. Right there.
Good fucking trade there.
I could have gotten better if I had my template up.
Risky. I like
This
it.
is sick too. Yeah, this is sick. Holy smokes. This is so many market ciphers. Wow. That's wild, bro. I'm not knocking it. Okay, see, you guys have these like vertical screens going on.
Vertical screens.
Yeah, like look at this. Like this is not bad, to be honest.
Oh, I just bought 2 of those, bro. I got 2 of them for like $150 each. They're on 80% off for some reason.
Okay, buy me one.
Go to Staples, bro. Bruh.
Come on, Bray. Bree.
Stream
Bree?
again tomorrow. Yeah, me and Jabs might stream tomorrow. We'll see. But we're gonna Phoenix and I are gonna stream. Maybe we'll stream New York on Thursday, and we will trade ES and NQ. They go both ways. There are a lot of monitors that turn like that. Yeah, I have my monitors turn like that too.
Gold member.
I like
Gold
the
member.
vertical setup though, but I think 24 inches are better for vertical because 27 is too big. Like I have to look up so high. I wanna
2 minutes.
follow where she
2 minutes.
goes. Yo, what if I do 3 vertical screens?
I don't know.
I think I'm being
I didn't
retarded.
even yeah, bro. I haven't been able to hook it up because I thought I needed it wouldn't work with my MacBook because I thought I had 1 slot, bro, this whole time.
Phoenix, how many days do you stream in JC Discord in a week?
5, 4, 4 foot 5.
4'5". What is his answer?
4'5", literally.
4F5.
I hate hardwood floors. I don't know why I went hardwood. Oh, why do they gap so much in the fucking winter time, man?
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, I just had them like professionally redone, and they're fucking
There
gapping
we
like
go.
crazy, and all the cracks are cracking again. Like what
Here
the
we
hell?
go.
I think he would have told me for $20,000, right? He's like, no cracking, sir, no cracking.
Man, I don't know what is with everybody today and asking about like, you know, is WP getting paid for doing TA in JC? Dude, you guys, that is so not your business. Like, I don't know why everyone, like even me, people were asking.
No, I'm not, by the way, but that's not really somebody else's business anyway, you know?
Like you guys don't, yeah, like no chill at all. That's not your arrangement at all. Like I'm surprised you even answered that. Like you shouldn't. You
Well,
guys
I-
need
you know,
to chill.
friend of mine. It does not. I don't fucking teach for money. You know, if I want to do that, I'd open myself up for fucking one-on-one sessions and do them full time. I'd have like fucking $500,000 a fucking month at the rate that people want to book me. But I trade, you know. I have a course, but I trade. I don't need to rely on that for money.
Yeah, you guys need to chill.
Chill, Poppy. Chill, Poppy.
That's like, and 2 people just asked that, and I had one ask me earlier in the Discord too. So weird, like just the same question 3 times in the same like 2-hour span. So weird. So weird.
Well, yeah, it is weird a little bit, but I can see why some people be curious, I guess.
I know, but even if like, you know, it's an individual arrangement. Like it's not information that could be taken. Like, you know what I mean? Like what can you do with that information? Just even if you did get paid, even if you did get paid, that doesn't mean that they would get paid if they decided that they wanted to do it. Like it's individual, you know? It's just weird. I don't know. It's just a weird question.
To all the bitch ass hoes.
I got hoes call. Anyways, all love, guys. Like I'm not like mad or whatever. Like it's all good.
No,
I
he is
get
mad.
it.
He
I
is
get
mad.
it. But anyway,
He is mad.
I
He
got
is mad.
hoes falling. I might long the next
Arlo?
like flip here.
Doses and mimosas.
It's all good, guys. It's all good. One love across the board. And take your question on Soul. What was your question on Soul? Man, like marble floors are the best.
I'm gonna have to. Well, they're freezing though.
Yeah, but you can get heated marble.
Well,
rolls.
okay. Sorry, we're not all bajillionaires.
Well, I don't have it. I don't have it. I'm just saying.
What
Like
is
I
it?
said,
Heated what?
I said marble floors are the best, and then you said a problem, and then I said I gave a solution.
Yeah,
Why are you yelling
Speaking
at
fast.
me?
brother.
I'm not yelling.
I'm gonna start calling you Mr. Deeds.
Ooh,
You
me or
know,
Jabs?
this guy hasn't even fucking watched Happy Gilmore.
Wait, me or
And-
Jabs is Mr. Deeds?
Oh, Jabs. Yeah, Jabs.
Mr.
always-
Deeds.
He's always talking about how he's gonna get a Lambo, and you know, at the end of the movie, was that movie where he bought all the fucking like?
Yeah, he bought all the Raris for like the whole
Yeah.
block.
Yeah.
That's me. That's me.
Jabs is always like, bro, when I make $1 billion, I'm buying you a Lambo. I'm buying you a Lambo. Everybody gets a fucking Lambo. I just picture him as like Mr. Deeds, you know?
Here's
You
the
get
thing.
a Lambo. You
Why
get a
would I
Lambo.
not? Why would I not? You guys are all too pussy to buy one on your own. So like,
You know what, bro? If I
Where is he?
wasn't buying you so many breakout accounts, maybe I would have a Lambo.
here we go.
Harry.
I didn't hear it because my wife was yelling to me. I didn't hear what happened.
We're just shooting the shit, you know.
Mr. Deeds.
Mr. Stark.
I actually wouldn't put it past you, Jabs, if you show up at my house with a Lambo and throw me the keys.
Mr. Stark.
I wouldn't put it past you.
Oh God, I'm so bored. Okay, chat, my beautiful YouTube chat. Here's what we're gonna do. One in the chat if we should stay on stream and be bored to literal death. Or two if we should go do literally anything else except for this right now. So one, if I should stay and kill myself of boredom, not literally kill myself, YouTube, okay? Don't ban me. Of boredom, and we just sit here and die. Not literally die, YouTube. Or two, we go watch Money Heist. Una Matina. By the way, the reason I haven't been streaming is because nothing's been happening. Oh wow, look at my thumbnail there. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm missing the action on hype. Yeah, I don't trade
Okay, what is going on with it? What is hype, bro? Is that Hyperliquid's coin?
Yeah, that's Hyperliquid. I don't trade shit coins, man. I don't trade shit coins. I don't like shit coins.
Is that much action? Let me see.
Yeah, you look up hype. I'm gonna put you on. Are you sharing still or
fuck
no?
Yeah, that thing is giga pumping, bro.
Hype?
Yeah, we are missing out. He's right.
Fine. I'll check.
It's on the fucking. It's
He said
booming.
fine.
Fine, I'll check. You don't have to yell. What? Okay. What is it called? Just hype? HYPE?
Yeah, but use the Bybit chart. Put USD. Put hype dot. Hype USDT.P. Yeah.
On Bybit or Binance?
I don't know, but I don't know, bro. Go to 1 hour. Just go to 1 hour right quick. Or 2 hour, I guess.
Wow.
Shit. I'm gonna long some hype. Oh shit, look at the return to zone.
Okay. You see this return to zone though? Every fucking altcoin looks like this. Every single one.
Yeah, but this one's actually doing something though.
I know, but I'm saying like every single one looks like that. Did we hit the liquid?
I need a pullback. I'm not long in the fucking top.
No,
or potential
obviously.
top. No way.
Oh, we way wrecked that liquid. But that's what I'm saying. Like if you go to literally any altcoin, they all look the exact same. That's why the whole fucking time I'm like, okay, this looks like it could be a PO3. Look, this looks like it could be a PO3. And then there's just no follow through and it dies and I just look like an idiot. You know?
Yeah, I did the same thing though. So both of us
It's the
did.
same shit though. Like it's okay. This one ended up is the one this is clearly a PO3 and it's popping out, but
Yeah, I need a back test. If we back test on it, like this is where it's like you don't want to get involved, especially swing trading that shit. I would like wait for a back test now, or at least a range to form, something to form. Fuck trading that.
No, you can't trade that.
You know,
We don't want to
what
be
other
like
ones?
jabs and long the exact top of silver.
Or Attaboy, Cardano.
To be fair, you know what? No.
Yeah, he didn't know he was doing that. That's okay. I'll excuse you from that one. You get one pass. And that was your pass. Excuse me while I eat fucking cookies now because I'm bored.
Dude, this is a snooze fest. Crypto is a slughorn.
Yeah.
It is literally a slughorn. There might be another entry here, boys and girls. Mandem and the galdem. There might be a little bit of an entry here very soon. We shall see. Let's see if she got any legs. Let's see if she got some sexy legs.
Wonder what the max position size on hype is. Let me see.
One
what I
love,
can
bro. We'll see you in there. Phoenix, why Forex and stocks doesn't move like BTC? Like core stuff works more on crypto, less on Forex. What could be the reason we have to go through a lot of time?
Bro, I don't know how you find that because I find it works awesome on Forex. But you gotta understand though, like when I came up with this stuff, I didn't come up with it on crypto. I came up with it from Forex. I was a Forex trader, bro.
No way.
Yeah.
Really?
You didn't know that?
How did you not know that?
No.
Not everybody knew that.
I thought you
Yeah,
designed these
Raven.
concepts. So
What's that?
I thought you designed these concepts.
For Bitcoin, you mean?
Yeah.
Well, I kind of like changed a few things, you know, because I started to like Bitcoin more over the years. Yeah, I got bored of Forex. You have to have mad patience to trade Forex, bro.
Yeah, man.
Phoenix, what
I
is your
hate
take
Forex.
on
I tried it.
GAN?
What is it?
GANN. What is your take on GANN?
Like the GAN fan?
GAN, yeah, it is popular in the Forex circles.
Well, you know what that is.
I think it's like the
You're talking about like the strategy, the
like
GAN
the GAN
strategy.
square shit. I don't know. Or
Oh, I don't use
GAN.
that. No, I don't use that. No. I tried it one time when I was learning trading, and I never understood it.
The GAN fan. Do you want to try that Wyckoff?
Bro, I thought I
network
was so
session?
cool drawing that shit on my screen one day, like when I learned trading. And I was like, oh, look at me, I'm drawing harmonics. Oh, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Smoked. You want a good forex asset to trade? USD Canadian dollar is fucking awesome. USD CAD, it moves nicely, and when it dumps, she really dumps. And like distributions everywhere, accumulations everywhere, range-based theory, simple structure flips on the mid. Don't even go down to like 30 seconds. Just trade like 2-minute flips, bro, and you'll win like most of your trades. Just don't get greedy.
My Grace official. We know what hype is, but we don't know the ticker. We don't like. I don't trade it.
By the way, you can pretty much long or short any 2-minute fucking flip, and you're gonna have a high win. You'll have a high win rate, bro. I'm telling you. Like USD CAD.
Oh, and USD CAD.
Oh my god, bro. You can just long and short you fucking 2-minute flips all day long, and you're gonna get something off the move. Is like again, as long as you throw your stop to break even after like the next break, you're golden.
Here's my 3 vertical monitors. Yeah, this is sick. This is excessive though. This is like a movie theater. You could just buy a fucking 80-inch TV instead, you know? I feel. Okay, come on.
What happened? Did it move? We have an elastic underneath us, by the way, on the 2-minute. Just saying.
Bro,
that's what I've been waiting for.
Yo, listen. We should do a 24-hour stream.
Right now?
No, fuck no.
I need a prep for that, bro. Like,
yeah, me too. I gotta tell, like, that is, I gotta tell the Nexus the day before and the day after I'm not working. I gotta like do it after leg day so that I don't want to like walk the next day.
I would definitely sleep though on the stream for sure.
Yeah, 100%. We'd have. I would
I
like,
will.
have to take.
No, I will.
I'd have to take.
You
turns.
know I fucking.
Bro, I got videos of you sleeping.
Right.
It was pretty creepy, right?
Yep. I wasn't gonna say nothing, but I mean.
Well, we could all see you sleeping, bro. Bro dozed off like on video call. Fucking funniest thing I ever seen in my life. When we, Gio, remember all the fucking pictures we made of him?
Yo.
That shit was funny, man. We were taking pictures of you and like throwing them in every AI. We had you dressed up as a fucking clown, Sailor Moon, and everything.
That's fucking hilarious.
It was funny as shit.
Oh man, that's funny.
Yeah, I gotta like, yeah, you guys have no idea how much fun I had with that. That was too funny. I sat there for like an hour just running like fucking, so did Gio, we're just running like through AI images of jabs. How did you learn this shit? Bro, I read about Wyckoff schematics and I made my own way to trade it. And and then once I did that, I was like, wait a minute, you know,
Found it in a fucking bottle.
I knew what market structure was, and then I made my own way of looking at it. And then I knew how like the basic order block theory from ICT was, although I didn't like his theory because it didn't work right. So I made it my own, you know? And I realized making shit your own is fucking way better than learning off somebody else. But I'll be honest, my shit's OP. If you can find a way to make it better, be my guest. I don't know if there's a way. I haven't figured it out yet. I think I like capped out on like potential there, but we'll see. And the best part is like, yeah, I mean, there's like probably like a couple thousand people that know it because like, you know, people bought my course and everything, and you know, Geo teaches similar tactics and everything, but like, it's not like fucking mainstream to the point where it's like everybody knows and everybody's trading the exact same thing. Like ICT shit is like fucking, bro, the guy got like 2 million followers. Like, come on. There's no way too many people are winning using that shit, right? That's way too many people using the same stuff. I always think of it that way too. Waste of time is what that stuff is, if you ask me. Fucking bro can't even fucking trade anyway. Sorry I had to rag on ICT there on your stream.
Bro, I'm falling asleep. Like, I'm not even... This is making me sad, this PA.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like I said, I'm watching that rubber band. Yeah, I was gonna actually that's what I was gonna say and I forgot about it. Yeah,
Wait,
good
where's
point.
the rubber band?
2 minute. Like it's underneath you. It's like a fucking flat line. Look at it. The ST.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but you have an accumulation, right? Yeah, I see what you're saying, though. But we have an accumulation right now. We'll see.
Yeah, I get it. Maybe it doesn't do it, but like I like when it wicks into it. I find you get
I
good
agree.
reaction.
And you have an order block there, too.
What's kind of fucking me up is the 15-minute one, right? Like oftentimes when it does come back, like it really does. I don't know why that thing works, but it does. That's super trend, stupid shit.
Super trans.
Yeah. Yeah, he did have a 90% loss. That was actually fucking funny, bro. Yeah, ICT posted like a Phoenix thing. I had to share it. I was like, fuck it, I'll take the engagement.
All I want for Christmas.
Okay, he's good at like theory and like the way that he comes up with stuff. But here's the thing, and I actually watched a good video the other day of like a girl. She was like #2 scalper or something in like a big tournament recently, and she was interviewed on a show. It's like a public video. It's popular. I'm sure most people have seen it if you watch trading videos. But anyway, she was like, and she made a good point. She was like, there's teachers and then there's traders, and sometimes there's teachers that are traders, but there's a lot of people that are just teachers that aren't really good at trading. Like the thing is, trading and teaching, or TA and actual trading are two different fucking things. You can be excellent at TA, get all your calls right. That doesn't mean shit if you can't execute on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because emotions are involved.
Yeah.
Listen, if I can grab 50 long positions out right now, I'm probably 50 shorts, and I guarantee you 80% will hit if I go to the mid time frame. But the problem is executing on them in live time. I might only take 10% of them. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, you got to be able to like filter shit out and whatever and adjust. Like most of my ideas play out. It's just sometimes I fumble execution, right? So.
Well, that's just it. And then if you fumble your first one on your idea, you're hesitant on the second one, and by the time you go to pull the trigger, it might be already fucking gone. That happens to me a lot if I lose 2 in a row. Like if I lose 2 in a row, I'm like, oh my god, I can't even do this now. I just gotta walk away because I just get so flustered with it. But it happens, it happens to me. It'll happen to you. It'll happen to everybody. Like you cannot. Like if you're scalping the way that I do.
One thing. Let me add one thing. So I guess people didn't really know this. I talked about this earlier, but you guys would be surprised at how many of the best traders that maybe a couple on YouTube, but most traders that are good at trading don't go on YouTube because why would they? But you'd be surprised that obviously I know a lot of traders, and you'd be surprised at how many of them hit break evens. Right? Like if you take, like every trade is not just a win or a loss. We're going in big capital. We're following smart money. So we have big money behind us, right? We're not going in, $5,000, $10,000 positions, like overall in that size. We're going in, millions of dollars. And so you have to protect the number one rule is don't lose money. Okay. The number one rule is not make money. It's don't lose money. Right? So you'd be surprised at how many times you get stopped out, or I get stopped out, Phoenix gets stopped out at break even, and that doesn't mean that it's a loss. It's like this could be a long right here, and I could not see what I want to see. Like I am long right now, and I could not see what I want to see, and then I'm out, and maybe I get away with a break even or like a little win or a little loss, and that's fine because the goal is not to make money. Like despite what you think on this trade, the goal is not to make money. The goal is to not lose money. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is make money, right?
Yeah.
So you know, part of the trading is the execution and being able to mitigate how much damage you take when you're wrong, because you're not going to be right 100% of the time. I don't care who you are. No one's going to tell you that. That's just not how it works. So when you're wrong, how able were you to mitigate the damage? That is what makes you either profitable or not, a millionaire or not. Were you able to mitigate the damage when you were wrong? And it's as simple as that.
Yeah. You
But
gotta
people
realize
don't know that. People don't know that, you know, you get stopped at, like, on my 200K PNL trade, I got stopped out like 3 times at break even before I hit it.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. You know, I try to tell people when I lose trades, because I don't want people, like, because I know there's a lot of people out there that fucking don't act like it, right? They're like, no, I don't lose. I'm like, yeah, right. Like, the fuck you don't lose. You know, there's a lot of people that kind of throw shade on you like that, but
man, I never understood that though. Like, why?
I don't
do people,
know. Man.
I don't know why people try to.
Right?
Bro, everybody loses. I love losing, because when I lose, I can go back and study, and then I can learn. And I frequently say, I don't lose, I learn, and that's the same thing. Like, people are afraid to it. I love losing. I love losing because I get to learn, and then I won't lose next time.
Yeah, exactly. Oh no, I get a lot of break evens, bro. I'm gonna say probably 30% of my trades are break even or more, easy. You know?
Yeah.
Is
And
what
then
it is.
just get back in, and then just get fucking back in. Just get back in.
Like like, I just want to clarify something. When I say that, like, I take different kind of trades, right? And so does Geo. We take, like, you know, average trades that we'd maybe post in a Discord, but we're also taking scalps too in between that aren't necessarily postable in time. Do you know what I mean? And those ones, a lot of them are like fucking $50 stop losses on Bitcoin and $75 stops. You guys gotta understand, like, it's easy to get taken out on a stop loss that tight, right? But we de-risk quickly. Like, we de-risk very quickly. So like you said, like, you know, the goal is to not lose money and protect your capital before making money, you know? That's number one, always number one. So obviously, you know, the lower the time frame you trade, the tighter the stop loss, obviously the lower the win rate naturally, yeah? But, I mean, I take all sorts of trades in Geodas as well.
Man, we take trades all the time. We're sending each other shit all day long. Like, literally all fucking day. We're on call. We're on whatever, taking trades that might be a little bit more complicated for the, I don't want to say normal. We're not better than anybody, but, like, for someone that is less advanced or less experienced, right? Like, and oftentimes, you know, even now, for example, like, I'm talking to you guys about scalp longing, and this is not to be meant to be disrespectful, but I'm talking to you guys about scalp longing, and people are like, dude, it's going down, check the daily. Like, it's for sure going down, it's for sure this, is for sure that, because it's going against what you think. And so people don't really understand there are more ways to trade. We're trading right now from 89K to like 89.4 maybe, and then we're out and potentially looking to flip short. If I say I'm going long, someone might long and go to work and then come back in 8 hours and get obliterated. If you did that today during New York, you got chopped up 5 times. There were like 5 longs and 5 shorts today, right? So it's just something to remember, you know, especially not just with us. We're transparent, but when people, a lot of people buy a lot of groups and shit. When people say, hey, I'm longing, right? Even people that you might know, like CryptoFace, oh, I'm long. That doesn't mean that, okay, like, maybe he was long from $500 ago and now he closed it and you saw the post 2 hours later. That doesn't mean long fucking now. You know what I mean?
No, exactly, bro. Exactly. I agree. 100%. You know, and there's trades that there's trades that, like, I post even like in J's and in the Nexus and shit that are like trades that are like, you know, higher probability things. Like, yeah, I might fucking, like, those ones are like, sometimes you can kind of tell when it's like a set and forget kind of trade, you know, but, you know, I'm more of a scalper.
Yeah. If it's in good zones and stuff.
Oh yeah, like a high time frame zone, yeah, fuck. Like, if we come up to 92K, bro, like, that between 92 and 93 is like a fucking huge zone for me. Like, obviously, you know, I'm looking for something there if I see it, but I'm not going to enter on the first like 10-second market structure break there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
be a high
it's the
confidence
trade
play.
management. You know what I do, bro? I just tell, because the Nexus knows, like, especially because we do our PTG streams, they know what I mean by I'm playing the game. So now I just tell them, I'm like, guys, I'm playing the game in this zone. I'm just letting you know. because I can't tell them go in and put the stop loss here or whatever. I give my real-time updates all the time. I'm like, I think this is the low, but sometimes I think it's the low, and then it does this. Like right now, I'm long from here. I'm long from like right here. But now that it did this, I closed. I didn't say anything, but a few minutes ago, right before this happened, I closed it. So now, like if I said, which I did, like, oh, I longed from here, someone else might have been like, oh, this guy's long. Well, no, I closed it the moment I saw this distribution.
No. There is no kind of high confidence trades like that going on here. No, not with this kind of volume anyway. Never.
Yeah, there's nothing happening right now. These are scalps. Like we're in and out, and that's it. And it's whatever, you know. So that one was a winner for me. I didn't squeeze out as much as I could have, but that's okay.
I might scalp along though, for real, if I see what I want to see here.
I'm looking. Look, and here's another thing. Again, this is more for the chat. I longed this originally, and then I got out when I saw this. And if I see this again here, I'm gonna long again, and it's the same idea. The idea is to go and take the range high. So it's the same exact idea, right?
Yeah, we're just
but it's like, but it took multiple tries, and that's fine. What is the indicator? We have a lot of indicators going on right now. It's not really like this is called super trend. Don't look at the indicators, man. I'm not even really using the indicators. I'm testing these things.
TP. Like it's nice. It is nice to use for like TPing and kind of telling when the momentum of a move is kind of done. It's for scalping, but I wouldn't use it for like anything other than that. Like I wouldn't enter on that indicator by any means. Even if it looks like good, in hindsight, doesn't mean it's going to work, bro. So don't like think, oh, I'm going to short every touch on the red and green line that you'll get smoked. You know. But it is good for
position size. Why do you guys ask such weird questions, man?
Yeah, it's only for me to ask. I ask him that all the time. Fuck with him. No, me and Gio do that.
I was in.
Well, let me guess first before you say it. Can I guess?
Yeah, go.
Okay, I'm gonna say 6.
I was in 8.
That was close. Yeah, you guys have, you can't go in like 100 fucking Bitcoin on a little tiny, like volumeless move, right? Because, we do a lot of marketing.
No volume. There's no volume right now. Like this is, objectively, this is a horrible time to trade. And objectively, there's nothing that's high probability right now, unless volume starts to pick up.
No, I took it. We trade ETH. We trade ETH, Solana, Bitcoin. Sometimes other altcoins, depending. But I'm not as like, Geo trades more alts than I do. Like I just usually do Bitcoin and ETH mostly. Solana always kicks my ass. I'll be honest, it does. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm going like I'm trading it like I'm trading Bitcoin with kind of tight stop losses, scalping.
Bro, Sol
and it
is
likes
so
to come
clean.
back, bro. Yeah, but it comes back every time and takes me out and then fucking bounces. I swear to God.
Well, remember what
Every
Alex
time.
Crypto said. Sol.
Yeah, I didn't
likes to
know
do
that
the
though,
coil
right?
and
I didn't
whatever.
catch on to that.
Oh,
Now
I
I know.
meant after. We might have a long here right now. By the way.
I'm saying I'm looking for a higher low.
Like right now on Bitcoin, we might have a long right now.
Fuck you.
I'm not gonna go in yet, man. I'm not gonna get chopped doing super tight stops like this, but I do think there could be something here. Let me check USDT.
My kid's like petrified at my cat, bro. It's the funniest shit I've ever seen.
You like
I
your
don't know
cat?
No, I hate cats.
Yeah, cats are super gay.
Yeah, my wife's cat. Sorry, not my cat. We'll call it the wife's cat.
Wife Phoenix. Where do you guys keep the horse?
At a horse arena, like a fucking stables, and they have like an indoor arena. It's like $1,000 a month.
Really? Like, did they have people there that like feed the horse and shit, or
Oh, yeah,
your wife has to go?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So the horse was like fucking 10 grand or something. He was like 2 years old when I bought him, and bought him like a year ago. My wife trained him from like fucking basically a wild horse. He's like fucking crazy trained now, bro. She's like insane fucking horse trainer. And I don't even know how she knows how to do that stuff, but she does. And yeah, I just pay $1,000 a month for board for the horse, and like they do everything. I don't have to do fuck all. Like even if like something's wrong with them, they'll deal with it, right?
How far is the horse? Like how
It's like 20 minutes, 15-20 minute drive.
And then you guys can just go whenever and just like say what up and take
Yeah,
it
like
around
yeah, like I wouldn't go like past like 11 p.m. You know, because it's their private property. But
Oh, okay. Like no
He's-
one else can go and just be with your horse.
No. No.
Like, is your horse with other horses?
Yeah, there's 10 horses in the whole, like, it's a huge fucking, like, these people are like fucking filthy rich, right? Like, he had like a big concrete business in Alberta and he sold it.
Oh, okay.
They're retired now, and he just built this like massive arena for his wife, and they got like 100 acres of like fucking land, and she's just doing it as a hobby, not to make money. And she's like, fuck, you know, maybe I'll just try to pay some of the costs off, like the cost of running it kind of thing, and paying for my own horses by like renting out 9 other like stalls, basically, right? And she was like, I knew of her, didn't know her, and I knew her husband, but I knew the husband more than her, and I asked him, I said, like, you know, can you help me out here? Let me find a spot, because the other places around here are trash. This is like high end, so that's what we did.
True. So all the horses are friends and
pricey,
shit?
though.
Like they hang out with each other?
Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Like my horse has a fucking, well, not my horse, my wife's horse has a fucking like I think he's like gay with another horse, bro. There's like 2 of them. I'm pretty sure he's gay with another horse because they just don't fucking leave each other. Like they're out like touching each other all the time and everything. It's
Golden
doing-
pinkies?
Yeah.
So you guys have fucking cats, dogs, birds, and a horse, and kids.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You guys need to get like fucking lizards or tarantulas.
I got a snake too.
You have a snake right now?
Yeah, I got a python.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, you don't. What's the snake's name?
I don't fucking have a name for him. Fuck.
Call it Nagini.
No.
Do you know what that's from or no? Harry Potter?
Oh, is
Harry
it?
Potter, man.
The fucking snake, yeah, Nagini. Yeah, I just named your snake. His name is Nagini.
That's not the Harry Potter snake name, bro. No way.
I swear to God, his name is
You're fucking
Nagini.
Googling this shit, bro.
I swear to God, it's
You're
Nagini.
fucking with me, man.
I swear on my life. It's
How do you-
Nagini, I think, or Nagini. Look,
Oh, it is. How the fuck do you even know that, man? That's crazy.
because I watched Harry Potter. Nagini. See?
Yeah, no, I do
Nagini
though. I have a snake. He's like fucking 8 years
This guy,
old.
Nagini.
And I got 7 parrots, 2 cats, 3 dogs, 3 kids.
Yeah,
One
bro,
horse.
That's too much, dude. What are you just like fucking feeding them and taking them out to shit all day long?
Bro, like, do you hear me? You hear me all the time. You're like, what are you
Yeah,
fucking
I know,
yelling?
it's a zoo. I know. Your bird fucking scared the shit out of me earlier because we were on. You were in my AirPods, and I was like, whatever, and it screamed, and like my eardrums fucking
Bursted a little bit.
a little bit.
Yeah, I had to take him back down, and I had him upstairs for a few days. Like we have like a fucking like aviary in our basement, one part of the basement, and I fucking took him up for a few days, bro. Worst decision of my life. That fucker's loud. He's a cockatoo, and they really can go like 100 decibels if they want to, and it really hurts the
Yeah,
ears.
they're loud as fuck. I used to have birds when I was a kid.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I had cockatiels, 2 or 3.
Oh yeah.
They were like yellow with like super red cheeks.
Yeah, cockatiels. Yeah, like grayish, kind of like whitish, with a yellow
Yeah,
head.
Mine were like the yellow. No, not the gray ones. They were like a yellow cocktail.
Oh really?
Not cock. What is it called? Cockatail?
Yeah, cockatail. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Is that why they call it cocktails, like birds?
No, cockatail.
Yeah, it was this one. Look.
Is it teal or tail?
Oh, teals. Okay, I thought it was always cockatail. This one, I had like this bird. Same shit.
Oh yeah. Oh, you had those, did you?
Yeah, it was like white and yellow. Not like this yellow, and not that
Yeah,
white
yeah.
either. It was like in the
Were
middle.
they yours though, or like your parents?
No,
Or,
like
what
my
was-
parents. My parents. Well, the house.
Yeah. Did they just fly around and shit?
Yeah, we like cut their wings though.
Okay. Did they jump around and shit?
Did I what?
Did they just jump around and shit then?
Oh, I mean, they like no, they flew around the house still.
Oh.
You know, like you cut, like people cut the wings.
Yeah, I know. You clipped them. Yeah.
Or
We do
clip
that with
them.
ours.
Yeah.
Except for one of my Clark, I don't clip his wings though. Clark Kent, he can fucking fly, bro. That fucking bird can zoom around my house at like 80 miles an hour and
That's
not
a
hit
parrot?
anything.
Yeah, bro,
Yeah.
they do that.
Boom,
They do
bro.
that.
Like like I can throw him up in the air like 40 feet and he'll just like fucking dive. Like you know how like a skydiver's like,
Yeah.
you know how you put your arms to your side and like free fall?
Yeah.
He does that shit, man. It's crazy. Every time I'm like, oh my god, he's gonna hit the floor. He just doesn't.
Do
He's
they,
like,
do they ever get out?
no, fuck, no.
Like, what if
No,
they did?
I
Would they
learned.
fly away?
If they got outside,
They probably would. Like, they wouldn't
Uh,
know.
yeah, but here's the thing. Like, only one of my birds actually think, or sorry, like 3 of them think they can fly, but the other ones don't even know what flying is.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, they don't even know what the fuck. They don't even know the birds, bro. I don't think they're weird.
That's funny.
Like when they fly, they scare themselves and they don't understand what happened. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, listen, clip not cut. I'm sorry, okay? Mommy, I'm sorry. Mamma mia. I was not the one doing it, okay? I was like a kid. I was 10, maybe less even when I had the birds.
Is that apricot from the Discord? Mommy.
Apricot.
Yeah, apricot.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely is.
Mamma mia, apricot. I didn't read the apricot part. I only read mommy. People hear what they want to hear.
Yeah, no, I got. So what happened was I always had 2 dogs, right? Like I had got 2 12-year-old dogs, a husky and a chihuahua, which is funny, I know, but that's what happened. I don't want to get into the story of how I obtained them, but it's crazy. Basically, they're both rescues, right? But and then I ended up getting another husky like two and a half years ago, and she's like a handful. But the dogs are like fucking needier than the kids, man. I'm telling you. But the birds are kind of chill. Like as long as you fucking just feed them and give them water and like say hi to them, they're okay. Like they don't give a shit. Because they all got friends. Like they're all fucking, except for Clark. He's like,
Yeah,
the
but
one
you don't
bird
have them in the same, like they're all in their own individual cages.
Yeah, well, no. I got like 2 sun conures that are in their own cage. They're like happy-go-lucky with each other. They're like
Okay.
mated and shit, right? And then I have every other one's in its own cage, but they're all somewhat next to each other, and they like
Okay.
you try separating them, they go crazy. Like they want to see each other.
So you discriminate based on race.
Yeah, apparently bird race. But yeah, no, I just they're like kids, bro. Like parrots actually have like they actually have the mentality they say of like a fucking 3 to 5-year-old child.
Yeah, they're
Like
smart.
They're smart
They're
as
smart.
fuck. Man.
Yeah,
Like
they're
I can have like my fucking African gray can say like 1,000 words. I shit you not, in full sentences, and it can call my phone. I'm not even lying, bro. That bird called my phone like 100 times in the last month, and it will say weird shit. Like it will just say like,
so funny, dude.
bro, it does. It uses Alexa. Like honest to God,
That's so funny.
fuck crazy, man. She'll talk for like an hour straight. Like it's crazy.
That shit is funny as fuck.
Yeah, they are very intelligent, which is like fucking crazy, man. Like that's why I'm like, they don't do good like switching home to home and they live a very long time.
Yeah,
It's like,
they like actually and they live long. Like they actually genuinely get depressed. My cousins like got a bird once because the bird's owner, one of them like passed away or something. So that bird, like they ended up having the bird for like 3 years or something.
yeah.
And that bird, like, bro, it like grew fucking warts on itself and like lost all its feathers and shit. Yeah, like
They will literally like pluck themselves, bro. And once they start plucking themselves, they can't stop. It's like an addiction because they
It's
get
like heroin.
no, it's crazy. It actually is. They get some kind of relief from it or some shit. I don't know what it is, but that's actually a thing, bro.
yeah.
Yeah, fucking crazy, bro. But yeah,
Do we see Biddy hitting 50s around October 2026? I don't know about when, but yeah, I see it hitting 50s.
yeah, me too.
I can see it going down lower than the 50s.
I think everybody's gonna think that old range between like what was it, like 60 and 74. I guarantee you, everybody's gonna think that's the bottom. It's gonna look like a bottom because it's gonna range there for fucking God knows how long, and then it's gonna rip down further, screw everybody up. So I think, like the range that broke us up from the all-time high is the range that we're probably gonna stay in for a while, once we get there. because you're not just going to go right through it. Like unless it's a black swan, you're not going to smash through it, you know. And then they'll like a lower high, lower low kind of thing. That's just how she goes every bear market, you know.
I think that the next bull, quote unquote, bull market is going to be a lower high, lower low. I don't think we're going to have a new all-time high. And then the cycle after that is going to be a lower low.
It would mess a lot of people up.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Bottom is going to be in mid 30s. Yeah.
I think it's 33.6. I've been saying it for a few months, but we'll see. I know it's quite an exact number, but and I'm willing to be wrong. I just think, you know, I just trust my TA. So
I think the only real bottom is 0. The only real support we have is 0. 0 is the only real support. If honestly, if Bitcoin went to $1, I would probably still try to short it to 0.
Well, let me get it in my stable coins before that happens, okay?
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Bro, if it even went that, like, if we went too low, I wouldn't even want to be in stable coins. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Yeah, bank run, you know what I mean?
Oh, this is like watching paint dry.
Yeah.
This is horrible. Are we about to pump right now?
Who just messaged me?
You have a 21 million Bitcoin order at 0.001.
Bro, like I've done that for years, man. Just tried ridiculous orders and I never ever get filled on them.
Bro, I think if you I think that you need to be careful, because if you have a limit order at 0.001, you still might get liquidated because it's bound to go to 0. So just be careful. I would set the limit order at 0 even. Set it at 0 even. That's what I would do.
Yeah. I don't think, no, you can't. You can't have an order at 0. Can you?
Literal 0. Well, that's the only real support. What would we trade if we can't trade crypto? I mean, we would still trade crypto.
Bro, if crypto ever did die, we, you know, just go to fucking stock market.
I'll trade futures. Yeah, futures will never die.
No. There's got to be, if that ever happened, the world's fucked anyway, you know? So it'd be like an apocalyptic event if the stock market died, so money would be meaningless if that happened. Yeah.
Okay, fucking bedtime, I think.
Yeah, I'm getting off too. This is fucking terrible, bro.
3.5 hours.
Yeah, nothing. Not a thing besides like what, a few $100 move down?
We did literally nothing for 3.5 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next stream. One love. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and trade safe. Peace out. One love.
Set my heart on fire.